What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs, and of course, you know we got the boy Jay Seals. What's going on, brother?
What up, everybody? Yeah, I hope you hear me double right now. Yep, you going over right now to change it because I already did it. I knew it. What up?
Like, echo. Yeah, it's all good, man. What is today? Today's hump day.
Wednesday.
Happy hump day, ladies and gentlemen. Is your lights on? You keep getting it's like your room keeps getting more dim and more dim.
All my lights are on. I don't know.
Maybe it's my light is just too bright. I got my lights on and I got the window open back here, and we actually got sun today. So
it's about to thunderstorm over here. We about to get that sweet rain.
Man, it's just cold over here. But ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hump Day. It is the day of Jerome. Mr. JP is speaking today at 12 o'clock Eastern, so 11 our time, like right when we basically get off stream. So gonna be a lot of commentating on price today for me. Like I'm feeling like today is gonna be a commentating, kind of seeing what price is gonna do. Do I have a pre-market plan? Yes. Do I plan on taking trades within the first hour or so? I don't know. It's got to be good. It's got to be something good. I got to feel it. The market's got to give me exactly what I want. I'm not going to touch it. Now, that being said, you guys already know, please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. We are ramping up to, I think, what are we pushing toward 1,100, something like that?
Yeah, I think we're at 10 or 1,070. I was gonna say 1070, but yeah. Yeah,
we're close to 1,100 subs, pushing toward that next goal of about 2,000. So please make sure you share us on Twitter, share us on your socials, wherever. You know what I mean? If you like what you see, make sure other people can come and see it. That being said, you already know we start the day off with the pre-market plan. So Justin, if you would jump us right in with ES, and then I'll follow up with NQ.
All right.
Morning, Debbie.
For ES, let me go to the hour chart. I was looking at the 1 minute. All right, so for ES, I only have a couple levels I'm watching on the day. The first level is going to be this 50% at 5265. That level is going to be pretty key. If you see, I'll just draw like a regular line here. All right, so if you see right here, we bounced at it on the 26th of March. And then we almost got back up to it yesterday for a retest. Didn't exactly get back up there. And so today, as long as we're beneath this level, I'm overall going to be bearish on the day more than bullish. But if we can reclaim this level, then I'll be more bullish than bearish, because we can get over the 50%. A lot of the times we have large sell-offs, the institutions like to reload at 50% of the drop. So I'm definitely going to be watching this area pretty closely on the day. Right now, we're nowhere near it. But we're approaching this demand zone at 5245 to or no, not 5245, 5244 and 5234 where we bounced yesterday. So if we come back into this demand zone, I will be looking for buyers potentially show up, but I don't think this is going to be as high quality of a zone just because we already tested it once and we bounced about halfway. Well, actually, we almost broke the first part of this zone. There's one below it as well. So just going to be watching this area pretty closely to see what happens. And then I have a 4-hour supply zone at 5285. So if the market does get above 5265 before bouncing at this 1 hour, then I'll look to take longs if we're above here targeting this 4-hour demand zone supply zone. So yeah, pretty much price is in this box. So I stay in this box for trading.
Big facts. Good job, brother. Good job. For me, in the land of the Nasdaq, my plan is pretty simple as well. The macro, I like to just kind of take an overall picture. So 18,280 on yesterday. We spotted this level on the tape because there was a very, very large buyer seller. There was a huge transaction that happened here at 18,280, and there's a similar level like this on ES as well. So I marked this level intraday. It was like 10 minutes before the market opened. So I marked this level on the tape on the chart because it was very key on the tape. So I just wanted to see how price reacted to it throughout the day. And honestly, this level has basically became like an anchor VWAP because every time we come near it, right? We push every time we push away from it, we come right back to it. Every time we push below it, we go right back to it. So I'm using this level as kind of like the equilibrium of price for me today. So I got this level as being key. So price has used it as an equilibrium. So as long as we are above it, I want to entertain longs. As long as we are below it, shorts will be in play into higher time frame supply or demand zones in both directions. So if I'm looking to long, I'm getting long into this next supply zone. If I'm looking to short, I'm looking to short. Obviously, it's a much quicker short. But I do feel like there's a opportunity here for the sellers to take us down much, much lower. So, but that being said, my intraday plans, right, is I'm looking for the market to come back up, right? Like I want us to push it back above this level and retest this 280 and hold it as support, right? So that we can get long targeting this 30-minute supply zone here, right? But if I miss the long trade, then I'm going to be looking to still short the market as long as we're below, what is this? 607. So, which is basically Monday's high. As long as we remain below 607 and today below 507, I'm still going to be looking for shorts if I miss the longs coming back up here, because I'm going to be looking for these sellers to defend their positions. That level is going to be on the 30-minute, is going to be look to short weak rallies in the 30-minute supply, basically 393 to 413, and look to target key level on the tape at 18,280. This is the level that I was really wanting price to come back up to yesterday, but the sellers were too strong and the buyers were too weak to get us all the way back up here. So the other level that I'm watching above that is a 90-minute supply zone, right, which sits at about 18,447 through 18,510. Again, looking for weak rallies up here, looking to target that same level on the tape, that 280 level, right? And then if we come down to the bullish side, right, I'm looking to, again, on the 4-hour, look for buyers to defend 201. And this is a very large demand zone because it comes from a very large bounce area, right? But I'm looking for buyers to defend 201.25 through 18,054. Right? Again, it's about a 200-point demand zone, so a lot can happen in this area, but it's a huge area that hasn't been tapped yet. So I'm really looking to see if we come down. We tapped it once yesterday, and we got a miniature reaction. Unlike ES, where we dug into it deeper. On NQ, we just tapped the surface of it. So I'm looking for NQ to come back down here and re-tap this area, and then look for longs specifically in that 129, 130 level, because that would be the middle of this demand zone. Now, the target for that, again, reiterating 280 on the tape, right? Wherever I get long, wherever I get short, this is going to be my exit point, because I feel like this is where the market is going to be looking to do the opposite of whatever I'm doing when I come in there. So I'm going to use it basically as like I said, the equilibrium for price. So for me, understanding that today on the news, we do have Jerome Powell. We have a speaker that's speaking right now. Bostic, I believe, is speaking. And then Jerome Powell speaks at 12:10 Eastern, which we should be done with the YouTube by then anyway. But in between that, we have final services PMI, and then Bowman speaking, and then ISM services. So basically every 15 minutes until we get off stream, give or take, there's news, because right after that, there's crude oil inventories as well. So it's just a really, really big overlapping news day. So I'm just going to try to, stay within structure, look for good opportunities. God dang it, gold. Sorry, guys. I was in a gold trade this morning 3 different times, right? And it'd be like that when you're trying to do other stuff. But I took the shorts down here, and I was looking for the longs at 22.90. And it's my fault, because following structure, I should have allowed this low to be swept first and then look for longs right at this tap of 286. But I was being impatient, and I was assuming that, I had it all figured out. I was like, you know what, maybe we don't sweep this time. And yep, we did exactly that. We swept the low. It just took a little longer. We swept the low, and then I should have been long down here. And then price went right to my profit target, or is headed to my profit target of 2,300. So, those little trades like that you let get away, they always haunt me, right? Like, in a sense of, I know that I was reading price right. I was just being impatient because I was also trying to cook and, get ready for the day. So But anyway, moving on. Let's take a look at the stock market here. Let's go back over here to this tab here. Okay, there we go. Looking at the stock market again, no aggressive movements out of any of the stocks. Apple's pretty flat, Microsoft pretty flat, Nvidia pretty flat, Meta's jumping up a little bit. Amazon and Google are all just flat. I think everybody's just awaiting the words from Mr. Jerome Powell to either sell or buy this market up, right? If you take a look at oil, gold, and other commodities, they're probably pretty volatile. And it's because the money, in my opinion, the money's rotating to the commodities and that volume is rotating. I shouldn't say the money, but that volume is rotating to the commodities and out of tech, right? So they're selling tech and they're going to buy up the commodities, right? So that being said, you can see that on the VIX over here, the last thing that I'll talk about is the VIX over here still in the above 1490, right? Anytime the VIX stays above 1490 lately, it's been known to keep the market pretty bearish. So I'll be looking for the VIX to push into that 16 level today to continue this selling. Again, once we get into that demand zone, however, at 1594 through 1644, once we get into the demand zone on NQ, I'm going to be watching and see if VIX rejects one of these levels. And that's what's going to be my key to take the market long. So I know that was a lot. So that's all I got. Justin, what else you got?
Oh, I'm watching natural gas today. I'm just watching it. I haven't really charted it yet, but I'm definitely going to be watching it because yesterday, what was it? It was off the 1 hour yesterday. Dang, I could have sworn I had this marked out. Okay, here it goes. So yesterday, if we took a 50% fib from the high to the low, you can see we bounced off of it perfectly. So today, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw 50% from the high to the low of yesterday and see if we pull back into it and see if we end up getting a rally. It looks like today's a little bit different. It looks like natural gas is already going ham, back to the upside. Maybe looking at natural gas last night, instead of trying to short gold would have been the move because this thing is pumping. I mean, it's straight up right now.
Oil was the move to the short side if you was looking to get short.
I didn't even look at oil.
Yeah, I have a. You should make a.
I got a whole features list because I know what you're gonna say. I got a whole features list. That's what you're gonna say.
That's not what I was gonna say.
Dang, I was gonna
say you should. You do have a futures list, but do you have a layout? Right, so you're actually watching them, not just looking at the list. So you should.
No, I don't have a layout.
You should make a layout for the ones that you're watching, because a lot of times, if you're not clicking on them every whatever, right, then you're not really aware of what they're all doing and when they're doing it, right? Like right now, I can see in one of my layouts. I'll show you. I'll share this layout with you. This is my execution layout. So in this layout, I have natural gas in the top left. I have oil in the top right. I have gold in the bottom left, and then I have the NQ in the bottom right. Right, so I can see what all of them are doing at one time, and then sometimes I'll switch out NASDAQ for something else that I might want to look at. But ultimately, I can see what the overall market is doing, and then my layout here shows me all of the stocks right here. Yeah, so this one shows me all of the stocks. I know you can't get all 8, but you can still make multiple layouts with like 4 different platforms. So like you can go and chart it and then set up the levels individually. And then when you put it in the layout, you're just waiting for those levels to be hit. You know what I mean? Like you can look for 5-minute supply and demand zones and mark them out, and then just sit there and just watch the whole layout. And whichever one hits the level, and then you just go and see how it reacts to it. That's what I do sometimes at night.
That's a good idea. Yeah, because I have the stock layout already with just Nvidia, which actually broke my demand zone. But Nvidia, Apple, Google.
Exactly. I mean, that's all you're really doing. But you're not trading any of those, right? Like, but you can use the stock layout for while you're watching the ones that you plan on trading, the instruments you plan on trading, because that's how traders do it. Like they have multiple screens, and then they have like multiple layouts that they're watching. Because I mean, I don't care what instrument I take, long or short. I want to take the instrument that fits my criteria. right? Like break above structure, retest 50%. If all of them do that, they all don't react the same to that, right? Like it's one thing that I noticed today. And I took note of it. Here, I'll share this tab with you. I took note of it because today, oil, or was it gold, sold off, right? And then it broke above the high and it tapped 50%, but it didn't go anywhere. It just danced around this area. But oil at that same time frame did the exact same thing and took off. So if I would have been watching my layout, I'd have been like, okay, gold's not doing anything. I'm going to keep this trade on, but oil just did the same thing. So I'm going to enter the oil trade. And once the oil trade starts to work out, I can just cut the gold trade because it's not doing anything. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
So just having that layout so you can see everything really, really helps, in my opinion.
No, I agree.
But yeah. All right, let's see. All right, killing gold this morning. Yeah, I killed gold this morning too. Yeah, I dog walked gold this morning. I caught it at 2302 on the short side, and it was honestly where I was longing it. I was playing it with two minis, so I was up $400 each time. It was up like 4 points every single time, and I was like, I should just take this off. So I took 200 a couple times, and then the last two times I took like a break even, but. It was just I really wanted it to do what it's doing right now in the bottom left, but I was right. I was just early. Like I said, I should have waited for that low to be swept, and then waited for this pump out, and then this next drop that it should be having. It should hold that 50% and then start to push up. It was just moving really slow for gold. Like I'm not used to gold moving that slow, but I think everything's just kind of slowed down. Besides, of course, natural gas and oil. I don't know what the hell's going on over there, but both of them have really slowed down on the day. So we'll see what goes on. But you can see over here what guan. That's what the Jamaicans say. What guan. All right, you can see. No, what guan. It's the same thing. What's going on? That's what they're saying.
Oh, that's what that meant.
Yes, what's going on?
I never knew that's what that meant. I knew the.
You never had no Jamaican friends growing up?
Nah, I knew the term. I actually did. One of my best friends is Jamaican, but I mean, he doesn't speak Jamaican. I guess
they kind of just slur their words. Yes, that's what's called patois. Yeah. But over here on NQ, you can see we tried to push away from 280, right? And then we immediately got rejected by that supply zone to the left. And then came back down, broke below 280, and now we're using 280 as resistance. And that's why I say, like, everything that I'm doing today is based off 280. 280 is getting rejected, and now we're starting to come down. So you can see the reason why this is a key level on the tape. So if you're looking to get short, I think you might have missed the boat on this one, but definitely look for the retest of this area here. I will definitely be looking for the retest of this area if we start to break some more structure here. I want to see us get below 200. This will be my target for the longs inside of this demand zone here. I'm gonna buy your ass a silent mouse. Yeah,
my mouse is silent. It's just the scroll
it's
wheel.
It's so not silent.
It is. It's just the scroll wheel. I don't think you can buy a silent scroll wheel.
Yeah, you can. My scroll is silent.
Is it?
You can't hear it, can you?
Yeah, we can hear it.
Yeah, my mouse is super quiet. Like, the only reason you can hear it now is because my mic's literally right here. Now you can hear it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But can you hear it if I do it now?
No, we can't hear it.
That's my point.
But I'm sure. I mean, if I put my mic away, because my mic is right by my mic is right by where my mouse is. Can you hear it?
Yes.
You can still hear it? Wow. Either means this is loud or I got a really good mic. One of the two.
He said, "Wow." Yeah. Yes, we can still hear it. What up, Custom Barbecue? Every time I say your name, I'll be like, man, I could really use some barbecue chicken right about now. Oh shoot. Nah, I didn't scroll too much. Now I know, right? You know I'm always ready to eat. Oh, there it goes. I was like, damn, I scrolled too much. My damn mouse won't even move no more on the screen. Yeah, we good, man. We good. Top of the morning, Chi-Town. Hey, how about them Bears, Chicago, Sean?
They haven't done anything yet.
Shut up, man. Ain't nobody talking to you. Ain't nobody talking to you. When you talk about the Bills, I don't even mess with you no more. I let you live. You've been wearing
that's because the Bills are actually a winning. Hoodie. The Bills are actually a winning team.
Winning what?
Winning seasons. Winning division champions. That's what we are.
Division champions, huh? That's the goal.
I mean, that's not the goal, but I mean, it's more than what the
go ahead and say
what the Bears have done in the past 10 years.
Oh, see, we gonna put it in a time frame. Well, the Bears have done more than your team has done in your entire existence. So, I think you need to put that the whole lens on.
When's the last time the Bears won the Super Bowl?
When was the last time the Bills won the Super Bowl?
No. That's not.
85.
When's the last time the Bears? Okay, I was born in '91, so the Bills have done more in my existence than the Bears because the last time y'all won the Super Bowl.
I was talking about the Buffalo Bills' existence, not
okay.
Your
well, that's a little different.
I said in their existence.
The answer
the Bears, you already know what it is, baby. Bear down, baby. Bum it. Forget this bum. They ain't never. The Bills ain't never won a championship. They didn't lost more championships than most teams ever been to. Y'all got a legacy of being losers, bro. Get out of here, man. Get out of here.
For now.
Let me live. Let me live.
It ain't like y'all haven't lost in the Super Bowl.
We have lost, but we won too. Y'all never won. Y'all never tasted the sweet feeling of victory.
Yeah.
True victory has never touched the Bills' legacy ever.
That's true.
Ever. We'll see, say it with me, Justin.
Maybe
never happened.
Maybe one day, or maybe never I'll die before it ever happens. You never know.
You probably will. So let me live. Let me be excited. You can have your fun when
you're excited about a dude who paints his fingernails and cries when he loses a football game.
So what you're saying is you got a problem with somebody that paint their fingernails.
I don't have any problem with anybody who paints their fingernails. Don't try to turn that around on me.
That's what you
I'm
said.
Just saying.
That's exactly what you said. Every time I get excited about
a dude who paints his fingernails, who puts pink lip gloss on, and has a pink phone cover, and who cries when they lose a game. Okay.
I'm excited about the way he throws a football. None of that has to do with the way he throws the football at all.
You about to be excited about how much.
Why you hating? I don't understand. I genuinely don't understand why you hating on my happiness. Like I'm excited about football, my football team for the first time in years, and you're like, man, screw that dude. For what? What? Because you sound like one of them people on Twitter. You sound like one of them people on Twitter that just want to hate. You have no reason to hate. What are you hating for?
I have every reason to hate.
What for? Because I'm happy?
No, it has nothing to do with you.
And what you at? I'm the only person that's talking about football right now. Why you mad?
I'm a hate on every team. Look, your wife is talking about the Cowboys. They trash.
I'm happy for them.
Dakota Rain Prescott is a little bit, you know what I'm saying? His name is Dakota of all things. And
that's what I'm saying. I just don't understand where does that
any more teams? Oh, the Seahawks? Yeah, y'all haven't been good since Russell Wilson.
Now I get it. Okay, never mind, guys. I get it now.
What?
I get it now. I get it. No, it's cool, bro. Hate all you want to, man. Hate as much as you want to. I understand it now. I get it now.
You got to hate on everybody else's team. Why would you not? You can only love one. You can only love one. That's yours.
When your team has a legacy of losing, then that's the only thing you can do is hate on. Because every team you just named, you know what they all have in common?
Oh, here we go.
They've all won championships, except for your weak ass team. So as long as I understand that part of it, I get it. Go ahead, man. Hate all you want to, brother. Hate all you want to.
Again, the league is of what have you done for me lately? So.
Yeah, if you got a problem with it, stand on it. Exactly. And the first thing he said was, "You like a dude that paint his fingernails and cry when he loses a basketball game."
You damn right.
Who don't cry? Who don't cry when they lose a game? You ain't never cried when you lost a game? Yeah, that's what I thought. You're the biggest sore loser I know.
No. When you getting paid millions of dollars.
So what? That hurts more. It ain't about the money.
Oh, it's about.
You didn't cry. I didn't notice how Justin didn't answer the question. Have you ever cried when you lost a game, Justin?
That's neither here. That's neither here nor there.
Because he cried when he lost a football game. Like, Like,
it's
you ain't never
neither
cried.
here
You're the
nor
biggest,
there.
Justin, you have by far the biggest sore loser I've ever met. So I know for a fact you cried when you lost.
It's neither here nor there. They're on a completely different level than my game, so it don't even matter. This man is a professional.
Baby, the Cowboys won Super Bowls, plural, and they won them against the Bills, plural.
Okay.
Straight bums. How dare you? How dare you have the audacity for me to just humbly come in here and say, let's go Bears? You have the audacity to not only hate, but to even try to build a case that, I thought we had this conversation already. The legacy of the Bills is that of losers. That's it.
For now.
Your entire lifetime, they've been losers. Your entire lifetime.
I mean,
championship-wise, they have been losers.
If we're measuring on championships, we've had winning seasons. It's hard to win a Super Bowl.
What else we measuring on? It ain't hard for the teams you dissing. Every team you diss has won a Super Bowl. Everyone you dissing.
Okay, but again, when is the last time that they won a Super Bowl?
How can you say that argument when it's not relevant to your case? It doesn't change the fact that you never won one.
It is 100% relevant because most teams don't remember. Most teams don't care. It's just what happened last season.
Even worse when you change the argument to say, well, when was the last time they did it? It's like, but y'all ain't never done it.
I know we ain't never done it. I understand that. I'm not denying
When was the last time y'all showed up to a Super Bowl? Because the Bears been to a Super Bowl before the Bears have been to a Super Bowl more recently than the Bills have.
That's true.
When was the last time y'all went to a Super Bowl? So we won a Super Bowl more recently than you guys, because that's just period. And then we've been to a Super Bowl more recently than you have. So, and I'm pretty sure in that same time frame, we won more divisional titles.
I don't know about that.
Y'all won a divisional title every year Josh Allen been there. And Josh Allen been there how many years? Because before that, y'all was trash. Don't act like y'all was shit before that.
I think 5, I want to say.
He been there 5, y'all might have won 4. They trash. He be out here blowing smoke. I'm just so irritated with him blowing smoke on these damn Bills. These mofos is trash, bro. They ain't done nothing. The only thing he got excited about is the last 2 years when they got the wide receiver from whatchamacallit them. Other than that, like, what y'all done with it? Y'all ain't done nothing. But see this man throw 4 picks against the Jets. And barely beat the Jets in the first game of the season, bro. Get out of here.
Actually, we lost the Jets.
Oh, that's right. You did lose to them.
So
Good morning, boy. We having a football conversation.
2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Let's see with the Bears.
You said what? Y'all won a division title in 22 and 23?
2020 to now.
So y'all won 4 divisional titles. Like I said, 4 out of 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's Justin, man. All I did was come over here. Look, boy, all I did was come on and say, look, boy, all I did was come on and say, man, let's go Chicago. Like,
the last time y'all won a
good.
divisional championship was in 2018.
We'll take it.
So
I don't see what the problem is. I mean, we did have to deal with a dude named Aaron Rodgers that entire time. Like, that guy was in our division.
And we had to deal with a guy named Tom Brady, the GOAT, allegedly.
But that's not the reason why y'all
allegedly.
But what was y'all record?
Allegedly.
It wasn't like y'all only lost to Tom Brady though.
I know.
Y'all was in like the bottom of the division.
That man. Okay, first off, D. Smith. Whoa, hold up. We only lost 4. Don't give us 5. We've only been to 4. Second,
they lost 4 in a row.
4 in a row. Whatever.
Y'all went back to back on losses.
Hey, look, man.
You should never have this conversation with anybody. This is a very poor conversation to have. But boy, I was legit just coming in. Justin spit on my happiness. That's why I'm going in on him so hard. Because I literally just came in, was like, man, the Bears looking good this year. You know what I'm saying? We got Keenan Allen. You know what I'm saying? We got Gerald Everett. You know what I'm saying? We got Swift from the Lions and whatnot. We looking good. I said, man, you know, we got the top 10. Nah, shut up. You had your chance. We had the top 10 defense.
Here we go.
Top 10 defense last year. You know what I'm saying?
Top 10 defense.
We did have a top 10. Bro, you better Google us, Justin.
Ain't no way y'all had a top 10
defense in the league last year, right? And we set up to draft Caleb, and we got the number 9 pick. if the Bills had all of that, Justin we would hear about it all summer. All summer we hear about it. I come in here and I'm just like, I'm just kind of happy about it. Justin immediately starts shunning my dude. Oh, you happy about a guy that wear pink nails and pink lipstick and cries after football games? I'm like, whoa. Then he just started hating on everybody in the chat and F the Cowboys and F the Seahawks. I'm like,
yep.
Bro, all I gotta say is you don't know that. You don't know that. That's all you got. Don't nobody know that yet. Damn, okay, okay, market's open. And hey, look, long as he throw that football, bro, that's all I care about.
Hey.
My wife said last time y'all run a Super Bowl was never.
Yeah, I mean, I don't.
Good morning, Room. How you doing?
Like I deny this.
I watched all those Super Bowls, and to Justin's defense, the Bills were the better team during those 4 losses. To Justin's defense, they still lost.
I wasn't even alive.
Yeah.
This time I don't appreciate D. Smith. Josh Allen is
put
not
him over
overrated.
Lamar Jackson. Stephon Diggs on his way out.
How they put Lamar Jackson when the man won the MVP? How you gonna say they put Josh Allen over Lamar? Maybe the media does, but nobody in football does. Nobody does. He just won another MVP. You can't say that. And Stephon probably isn't on his way out. He just signed. He's too tied up in Buffalo. Yeah, he's too tied up.
Justin don't want Stephon.
Well, I mean, if we got a wide receiver complimentary to him, we just need one good wide receiver across the
So the market's open, by the way. Yeah, we see it. I see it. I have zero desire to touch this market until I see something that I absolutely want or Jerome Powell is finished talking. Yeah, the Bulls is coming, baby. But just know we just broke structure, though. We just broke structure to the downside. So, fortunately, never watched American football. Hey, guys, what's going on, Cordy? Trust me, you don't want to watch any sport with Justin or anything with Justin. He's a sore loser and a hater. So it's like a piss poor conversation to have with him at all. You can't even say, man, my team's doing really well without him being a hater. And then you can't say, damn, y'all lost last night, but it's all good without him being a sore loser about it. So you really can't have any productive conversation with Justin about anything that's about winning and losing that involves his team or lack thereof. Like, I didn't even say anything about the Bills. I literally just said how excited I was about the Bulls, and Justin turned it into the Bears, and Justin turned it into a straight up hate conversation.
Well, I'm not the only one. Valdez said Caleb is trash. Custom Barbecue said Caleb is softy, though. We'll see what happens.
Valdez came in and said, I get it, but just know that Caleb ain't it. And I said, okay, well, we'll see. Nobody can say that, but that doesn't mean I can't be excited. Listen, like I told you before, the Bears have never had a quarterback throw for 3,000 yards in a season. So if Caleb just comes in and just, bro, we got a low ceiling. Look, we have a very low ceiling for quarterback play. If we could just get a little good, just a decent season, 2,000, 2,500 yards, maybe 300, 3,000. If we get that, hey, that's better than anything we ever had.
That's better than
we have very low expectations at the quarterback position. That's why I'm hoping we either go get Keenan Allen is the truth, and he only 35. Don't sleep on that acquisition, and don't sleep on Gerald Everett either. That tight end we just got, and we already got Knox. He's already a decent tight end. All right, just stand by, bro. Knox is nice. Swift is nice. Watch out for this rejection here at the high. That's the retest of that 280 level as well, guys. Yeah, we got Swift, we got Allen, we got Knox, and we got Everett. And Keenan Allen, and we got the number 1 and number 9 pick, bro. Y'all sleep. Y'all are asleep, bro. Nah, we good.
Nope. They got the same coach.
We good with that. Look, Justin, he didn't say nothing about the positive. As soon as he heard something negative, he's like, "Oh, no, the coach. Yep, they suck. They suck."
Okay, no, I don't know anything about y'all coach. He just
I know you don't. You're just a hater, bro. Like you need to be on that
his
show,
last name
that Dave Chappelle skit.
I didn't say that. Nah, he only been in one for one season, right?
Been in there one season, and it's not like the Bears sucked last year. For what they had,
they sucked enough to get the number 9 pick.
Bro, you're crazy. You guys are crazy. For what the Bears had last season, they did really well, and the defense was really well. Like, notice how Justin hasn't defended the top 10 defense that I said that we had last year because he knows it's the truth.
Well, I don't know. According to Fox Sports, y'all was number 12, but I don't know.
Close
but
enough.
I don't know.
Close enough.
Well, I don't know how these are ranked though, because you could add a top 10 defense in another category. So
I think we was like top 5 against the run, or top 10 against the run. Let me see.
About to say these are ranked different because like the Bills were in the top 10, but that's for defensive yards allowed. So for touchdowns, though, we actually didn't allow a lot of touchdowns. I don't know. Our defense got gutted this year though, so I don't know what's about to happen, honestly.
Nah, y'all don't want to talk trading. Everybody want to diss on my Bears. Bump y'all. Yeah, I took a short on Bill last game. He said consolidation.
Yes.
Oh, Bears was number 2 against the run last year, next to the 49ers. Just FYI. Which is solid. Super solid. Shane Waldron, yeah, he from Seattle. Yep. The new offensive coordinator. They sleep, bro. They acting like the Bears ain't making moves. Tell you that new GM, bro. We just needed the black dude in charge, man. That's it. We're happy to see him go. We'll take him.
He said we're happy to see him go.
We'll take him, bro. We'll take him. They refuse. It does sound like allergy medication. Yeah.
See, I was gonna say he sound like Eberflus sound like a Who name from Whoville. That's what he sound like.
My wife said Justin's a sore loser, a hater, and a sore winner. You can't win. The motherfucker's just angry. He's just angry, man. Like there's no happy in Justin, and if he's not happy, he don't want to see anybody else be happy. Screw your happiness. He's like a Scrooge.
I'm very happy with my team. I have no problems, no issues with my team. None
you
whatsoever.
like a child that's like got his shit, and that's all you care about. It's like, bro, like, what about your friends? Like, fuck my friends. Oh, okay, cool.
Well, when it comes to football, it's competition, of course.
It's not like competition,
that.
bro. Like,
how
the Bills have nothing to do with the Bears. Nothing.
They have everything to do with the Bears.
What? When do we ever play the Bills?
It don't matter. You're still an opponent. The hell?
You're an opponent? When did the Bills ever play the Bears?
I don't know.
It's very, very rare that we even play y'all. I think we played y'all last year.
No, we didn't play each other.
Or we play y'all like no. It's very rare that we
played each other in the preseason last year. I don't know.
That's what I mean. So I don't even get it. It's like you hear another football team and you're like, I'm gonna hate. It's like, why? Like,
you're damn right. Okay. Every football team. I don't like any of them.
You just have a hater's mentality. You get that hate out your blood, son.
Nah, we don't.
Love what y'all doing here, by the way. Appreciate you both. Yeah, this looks like 280 is being tested up here.
NQ's already at VWAP. ES is above VWAP.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, were you looking at Atlas? Was that the ATA? Was that Atlas? Yeah, I know I think Sierra you talking about Sierra? Oh, I think Sierra has a 14-day trial as well. But the only thing is, I don't know. Yeah, or like something really, really small before it reverses back. Yeah. You can see it on the tape too. It's just you kind of have to count the you kind of have to use the volume profile to see it.
Well, as expected, 280 is again acting like a freaking magnet or a repellent. Every time we come up here and tap 280, we reject it. Every time we trade away from it, we come right back to it. It's like have you ever seen the joke from the Kings of Comedy? There's like talk about the Temptations. And it was like, no matter what happens back in the day when the old school dancers and the old school R&B singers used to sing, they only had one mic. It could be 5 Temptations, one mic. No matter what they did, they came back to the mic. That's basically 18,280 today. No matter what's happening right now, price comes right back to 280. It's almost acting like a VWAP, right? Like the buyer that bought there doesn't want selling to come too far below him. And then the sellers that sold to him don't want to sell, don't want to let price come up too high. So I don't know. As long as we stay in this range, it looks like we're potentially starting a new swing here. Potentially, if we can get back above that high, I have them highlighted on my on the YouTube channel. I'm looking at this high and this low, potentially starting a new swing. If we can get back above this high here, so if that happens, then I'll be good to start trading. But if that doesn't happen and we just stay in this area, I'm not going to touch trades in this area. There's just nothing for me to do right now, so that's why I'm not really interested.
Yeah, if we could break above that 280 level and kind of trade up a little bit higher and then come back down and retest, that'll put a nice inverse head and shoulders in on the 1 minute.
Wait, what? Say that again.
If we break above, if we can break and close above like that 280, 281, and come back down and retest, then that'll put in a nice inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute on NQ.
Yeah, I agree with that. I just want to see us, just because this is a triple top up here, I want to see us get completely above this and close above 324. But I think you're right. Like that is the previous high. It's just like, for me, I'd rather get in after we've started the potential uptrend, just because of how aggressively we keep playing around this area. Like, this feels like we're building either a humongous supply zone at 280, or this is about to be an aggressive demand zone at 280. Something's being built right here. So I just want to be a little bit more cautious coming out of this area. But I do agree with that thesis. I just feel like we're just going to dance around here until Jerome. We may get one big move to start the day, but I mean, right now it's just nothing that I'm interested in.
We do have news here in about a couple minutes. 9:45. There's some orange folder news, and then and a speaker, and then 15 minutes later, so we got the next set of news. So I agree, just staying on the hands, just watching the orders come in right now, because I don't think this first news is really going to do too much, but that 10 a.m. news should rock the market.
What's at 10 a.m.?
I think ISM is about to happen now. Let me see. Hold up. Yeah, ISM no. Okay, PMI happens at 9:45, and then ISM happens at 10.
Yeah, and then there's a no doubt. Custom Barbecue says, so I blew an Apex EVAL account. Sorry to hear that, sir. This morning on GC at like 2:30 a.m. I woke up to use the restroom and started trading and lost my ass. The question is, because I used to do that too, man. The question is, did you have a plan before you started trading? Because when I trade in the middle of the night, my biggest problem used to be not having a plan before I come in, because I usually have a plan when I trade. So what I would do overnight is I wouldn't have a plan at all. I would just be like, okay, it's going up, it's going down. Let me get in. But it's more important to have a plan, especially overnight, because the moves, when they happen, they're happen really fast. So if you're in the wrong direction, you're going to be wrong really quickly, right? So, and then you could get caught in the washing machine if you don't truly have a plan. So before I went to bed last night, I slept on the couch, but I showed my wife, I was like, yeah, I'm looking a long go, but we watching a movie and we hanging out watching Law and Order. So I'm gonna just paper trade it. She's like, that's a good idea. I said, I'm gonna see if I can hold it overnight. And sure as shit, my paper trade got dumped on overnight. So I was like, oh, okay, bet. Now I know where I'm looking to short the market. So that's when I got up and went to short it. The tape's clearing up now, though. It looks like we're getting ready for some type of news to drop at 45. So we're clearing the tape for yellow folder news, which means that the market is really clearing the tape because it's really ready to make its move.
Yeah, I think we're about to sell off here, but we'll see.
Yep, no plan, just started going at it. Yep, been there. Yeah, I want us to tap into this demand zone badly, but I'm not touching this until we're at the extremes. Yeah, what's up, bro? Red folder news is basically just extreme importance, meaning it's more volatile. It should move the market more, but sometimes it doesn't matter. Yellow folder news will move it. It's basically the levels of importance and volatility that it should cause the market. That's all. When you look into Forex Factory, it actually has a color-coded key on the difference between the news events. I don't know where the fuck it is, but I've definitely seen it before. Yeah, so let me see if I click on it. Does it come up? The reason why it's red folder.
I don't think it'll tell you the reason why it's red folder, but I think it'll tell you like what to expect from the.
Yeah.
Like it'll say like if it's good, if the data is good for currencies.
Yeah, and it'll give you like the previous ones too. Like if you click on it, it'll show you what the previous ones were, like the dates that it happened, what the previous forecasts and actual were, so you can kind of go back and look at the charts and compare that to, you know, the reaction from the market, which the news is out now and the market's really not doing shit. So I think the market, if in my opinion, my best guess is the market's probably not going to move until after they, like any significant movement, until after they hear what Powell has to say. So boy said, man, I need 20 points to be gone for this market. I'm over it. Yeah, bro. Why do you think I'm chilling, man? I got my money in London, bro. Like I genuinely do not care about this open right now. Like I have no desire to trade this right now. You say you don't think the market cares about Powell? Yeah, they're sweeping and putting these higher lows in, but again, nah, they care about Powell. I just want to see. Yeah, no, I'm not saying that there won't be any move. I'm just saying, like, for me to be interested in what's happening right now, there's certain levels that I'm looking to break. And until structurally we break above those levels, I'm going to be patient. Technically, I'm willing to trade, but fundamentally, I don't think that the market will move much until X, Y, and Z happens. But if I see something on the technicals that change my mind, and hey, I think the bulls want this shit, but every time we come up to 280, we get rejected. Then we get above it and we squeeze back away. But here's an aggressive push by the bulls on the tape. They're really, really trying to push this area here. So we'll see what happens. I want to see them trade above 280, retest it, and then I'll look to potentially loan the market into that 30-minute supply zone. But
yeah, it makes sense that it's struggling right here. We built a lot of volume yesterday in this area when we were trying to long the market. Remember, we got in long. If you look to the left yesterday on Tuesday, this is where we consolidated for like 2 hours before we found
this is 18 area. This is 18,280, bro. This is that same key level on the tape that I've been calling out all morning. This is that same level. When this happened yesterday at 9:20, I marked this level on the chart and I haven't moved it. And every time we come to this level, we consolidate or we get rejected or we bounce off of it. So I'm not trading this as long as we tap 280 and we keep getting rejected. I'm not touching this shit. I mean, if it wants to sell, then I'm going to wait till it comes down to this demand zone. I just think the bulls are trying to push, but the bears are refusing to allow price to get above 280. It's like I wrote in my pre-market plan, everything depends on what happens at 280. And thus far, it hasn't changed. Like Justin is saying, we consolidated for 2 hours in this area yesterday. And then we did it again at the end of the day, only to push up and come right back to the same area. So there's a ton of volume that's been traded at this area. So this is clearly a key level. I'm just not interested in trading it until I see the continuation from either side. That's what I'm waiting on, right? Like until I see some continuation within a 5 or 15-minute candle, I'm just not touching it. To me, it's just not higher quality until I see that the market's ready to move. 1800 looking real sweet. Oh, 18,000 to the downside. Yep, I think we can see it. I can see that. Daily is red and Nvidia is dropping. Yeah, I just don't think we're moving much. Like we're not really going anywhere. I mean, we're in a 30-point range right now. Like I'm just not going to trade that. I'm not interested in it.
Everything.
Everybody bears his head. Oh, trust me, everybody's bears. That's probably why the market's going to run.
Everything's in a holding pattern right now. The VIX isn't going anywhere.
Exactly. That's the word I'm looking for. Thank you, Justin. I don't know. I don't even have time. Bro, I'm not even ready to trade. That's how uninterested in this I am. I don't even have TOPSTEP X open, bro.
I'll tell you. I don't normally keep it up because I don't.
No, I do. I just don't have it up.
I don't normally look at the tilt because I really don't care, but I'll look just for you, Valdez. I'll look. I don't even know which one is the tilt thing. Oh, here it goes. No. Yeah, I get rid of all of that, so I got to bring it back up. All right, the NASDAQ, 54% are long, 46 are short. ES, 47% long, 53% short. Gold is 65% long and 35% short. I don't know what this positive percentage means. I don't know what that means.
I just think we're going to trade up into 347 before we go anywhere. I think we got to come up. Did we take out? No, we already took out Tokyo, huh?
This is nuts. This TOPSTEP X tilt is for all TOPSTEP X traders. Or no, all TOPSTEP traders, not just TOPSTEP X traders. That's nuts.
Yeah, it's all traders. All TOPSTEP traders.
Yeah, I didn't realize that. I thought it was just for people using TOPSTEP X.
All of them.
Yeah, we're still holding up these highs.
I think we come up and take that liquidity. You see 332, that settlement price, and Tokyo session high up there, Valdez. We got settlement price up there. That's the previous day high, daily fib. I think we need to come up there and take that liquidity. I think that's what the market's trying to do. I think we're trying to push up above this and go into that liquidity, trade up into like 400 before we start trading back down. But again, I'm with Justin. The market's just in a holding pattern. You say London and Asia were both red. That doesn't mean that the market's going to continue to be red. That's actually more reason to believe we're going to pump first, to be honest with you. I think we could end red, but I think you just think about what that means, right? If the market wants to continue to sell, right, it needs to find more sellers that are willing to sell down lower, right? Well, how do you go find more sellers if the sellers aren't willing to sell this low? The only way you can go find more sellers is if you got to buy, right? They got to buy it back up, but the sellers have to close their position so the market can go up and find that liquidity that was left behind in the Tokyo and Asia session. So like, if you think about it, like if Asia and London were selling, right, and the market doesn't have enough liquidity or strength to move any further down, well, where is it going to get the liquidity to move further down? It has to go back up to go get it. So if we take out the previous day low, oh, at 201, yeah, I don't know. I think I got the previous day low at 201, but there's a huge demand zone right there. So if we come down that low and I don't short it down there, I'm gonna be looking to get long down there. So same thing if we go up to the top. The tip of this wedge, it's about to possibly break out. Possibly. I'm just being patient, man. I know like everybody's like itching to take a trade. Trust me, I get it. And if it breaks out, like I'm cool with it. Like I need to see it break today. I need to know that the market's ready to move. The market does not look ready to move right now. looking at the tape, the market looks really tight, right? If the market decides it wants to push out here, then great. I'll look to trade it once it comes back.
Yeah, we're just consolidating. We got news again in about 5 minutes, so just be patient. Just wait for the second news. This news should probably push us out and put some more volatility into the market. Until then, yeah, there's nothing to do. We're getting pretty close to my key levels though, which is nice. But
there's 280 again. Right back to it.
Yeah, I think we're gonna. I think
break on the other side of it this time. I'm ready for this drop. Don't have a bias, man. Just trade what the market gives you. You know what I mean? Have a plan for the drop, but don't have a bias. Just wait.
VIX is starting to push down as well.
280, right on key. As soon as we tap it, drop. Like it's a seller that's just sitting up there. He's dropping the market every time we get up there. Golly. That was another tap of 280.
Oh, here comes some sell pressure.
Jonah says, Mr. Pot Scrapers, a lot of retail think that way, but if we go under previous day low, I'll be super bullish. Exactly. Nice demand. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, if you wait that low, you probably should be looking for lows. That's the same thing I'm saying. Just kidding. Okay. Yeah. Like right at previous day low, there's a huge 4-hour demand zone right there. So if retail decides to short at below previous day low, I'm gonna be with the whales trying to buy up their positions right there. If they step in. Bro, nah, Jimmy, we need to get Jerome on the line and be like, hey, Rome, you wanna come talk to the people quicker? I'm telling you, this market is in positioning mode. Like I just feel like, look at this. Look how many times we've been up here, guys. Like just follow this. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, I can keep counting, but you get the point, right? Like we've tapped this level so many times that something has to happen here, right? Whatever happens here, I'm gonna be looking for the retest of this level. I don't know because we're in some type of consolidation that I don't really want to trade in. It feels bullish, but then at the high, it feels extremely bearish. This is where accounts go to. You see what I'm saying? Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Valdez. What this feels like to me is reset. Yeah, somebody look. I see it.
Oh wait.
Let me show you what this looks like to me. This market started pushing and somebody didn't have this level on the tape. So, or this level of resistance. And you know what they did? Oh, we broke above resistance. I'm taking calls right here. Good. Market was like, great. Good job, Jimmy. Dump. Right? And then guess what? They said, forget it. I'm going to go short right here. And the market was like, thanks. Gone. Because the market is in liquidity capture range mode. Right? Like that's all we're in. We're in a range. We broke below a low and now we're ranging, but the range could continue because of the fundamental catalyst that the market's awaiting. So for those reasons, I just wait. Like I'll wait till the market gets going. It'll get going. No need to rush it. She'll get going.
Yeah, no, I agree. Yeah, Mr. Pot, it's a tug of war right now. It's a tug of war. I'm waiting on this news because we're consolidating because the news is about to be out here in 2 minutes? Yeah. News will be out in 2 minutes and then we'll see what happens.
He said, I need previous day low to get taken out. I'm speaking it into existence. I wanted to get taken out too. Not to short it though.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. I'm honestly hoping the market rallies. I want to see a rally out of this, but we'll see. If we come back down and just sell, it's fine.
Yeah, I just don't see the rally after we keep getting killed at 280. That's freaking quadruple top up there.
Yeah.
After the break of structure. If anything, I'd be looking for shorts at 280.
Well, let's see. We're coming back down to this low, and let's see if we put in a higher low here or what we do. We'll see. We will see.
You need to drop to 18,000. Okay. We'll see.
Oh, the tape is clear. The tape is clear for takeoff or dumpage.
Remember how bearish we were yesterday, Mr. Pot Scrapers? Like, usually when we're super bearish like that, everybody comes to the market trying to short the market, and the market's going to do the exact opposite of what everybody wants. Or maybe it does a continuation. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I know one thing. As long as we're here, I'm not touching
it. There's the pop. Pop goes the weasel.
All right, now we're pushing up to 323. There's the price action. Let's see if we break the high here.
Up goes the weasel. Almost hit that high.
Waiting on Pablo Jones. Lower day, lower week. I know, right?
That is his thing. What a rally. What a rally.
It's coming for Tokyo right now. Yep, coming for Tokyo. I want to see what it does when it takes out Tokyo. Yeah, gold did just leave the building. Gold is at 2,300. Oh my God, gold is gone.
Woo.
Gold has left the fucking building. God dang. My entry on gold would have been freaking epic. Let's go. Let's go. Please go. Please go.
The VIX is dumping.
Please go. Do not go to 2340. Please don't go to 2340 gold. Don't do it.
Yeah, it's coming down.
Yeah, it's down 10 points. You know, Justin, he'd be over dramatic. We'll see. I want to see if it can hold above 323. Yep. I want to see you take it out. Take it out. What was that? What's the name was saying? He said, I want 18,000. Okay. Okay. This is the market coming for that liquidity first. If it's gonna dump, it's gonna dump after it takes out Tokyo, after it takes out Asia, and now the objective has been fulfilled. So let's see what the market wants to do. Previous day high, yeah. Bro, this is all right. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come on, NQ. Really?
Move it.
Another 100-point candle. This is what we on today. All right. Okay. All right, NQ. All right, NQ. I did. That's exactly what I said.
They ain't waiting for nothing.
Hey, the bull said, "Who is JP? We don't know that motherfucker. We don't know that motherfucker."
Ooh.
Bro, they bought up everything, bro. Everything. They really don't, bro. They said, Powell, who? Hey, we ain't waiting for Powell. They said we ain't waiting for Powell. You can wait for Powell. I'm not waiting on Powell. I'm buying right now. Shit. Man.
Yeah, that was a move right there.
No, that was a move.
I just said that was a move.
Yeah, I know, right? It's like,
I mean, it's definitely gonna come back down.
Asia,
where
you took Asia, huh? All right, short, short. I ain't that. Don't get cocky. You know what happened yesterday? Yeah, like, chill out. And that was at that. If you guys are watching time, that was also at that 10 o'clock candle too. Obviously, it was the news candle today, but notice how we talked about time in the middle of 9:50, 10:10. That's when the market usually makes that move, and we made that move right at that 50%. Yep. Damn, gold giving it all back up. Damn. Chill out, gold. Shit.
Yeah, it came back and touched one of them overnight swings and don't.
All right. Bulls, y'all better keep it up here. Don't come all the way back down now. Y'all better
Meanwhile,
keep it
natural
up
gas
here.
is giving it up too. Natural gas has been a straight flush. Jesus.
Watch this. Don't you short this just yet. Yeah, don't you short this just yet. Dang, natural gas. Gold, natural gas. Oh my God, gold. Oh,
hey, look at the stocks. All of them are pumping right now. So don't be going against them.
Goodness. Gold said bye-bye. Going back down. Just kidding, guys. Oh, whoa, what a candle. What a candle. The 100-point candle. Well, the 15-minute is printing about 100 points. Trying to print 100 points. Where have we seen this before? So they gave us this look twice this week. Bro, I don't know. 390, 393, bro. That's the next 30-minute supply zone. That's where I'd be looking to get short if I was going to short it. I'm still trying to figure out what the fuck just happened. Like, yo, what was in that news candle? Like, gee. Yeah, bear market my ass. Okay, pull back, bro. What would they wait? What was that?
That was something called the news.
If they held on to them and they didn't get trapped in that consolidation.
Now the question is it going to end up being a bull trap or are we going to continue? Because we are still overall in that downtrend.
ISM services came in much lower than expected. I don't know if that's good or bad for the market, but whatever that means, the market took it and ran with it. They said, thank you. Woo.
Oh, we're pumping.
Pamping.
Nah, nothing to do right now.
I see this volatility. I just say, okay, thank you. Now we know. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, cuz.
Let it go. Let it go.
I appreciate you, market. Thank you for showing your movement. Now we wait. I shall wait. Be patient and wait. Patience pays, baby. Patience pays.
Yeah. We're back in no man's land. We're close to that. We're holding above that 50% though. That's a bearish candle on AQ though. Let's see if we can come back down off that. There's two interesting levels up here, that 50% and then 18381 on NQ, where we use it as support and resistance. So I'm curious what we're gonna do with it once we get back up there.
That's what I'm saying, man. I like, yo.
Powell's probably up the market. To be honest, they probably bought this up so that they could sell off Powell, bring the market higher, and then sell Powell news. Especially if he starts talking about those rate hikes or not cutting them. Let me see. What is he speaking about? He's speaking at the Stanford Business, Government, and Society Forum. He might not even be talking about the market, honestly. When it comes to selling.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Here come the cells.
Still, we hold settlement price right here, or do we keep pushing down? There's a lot of buying coming in right here. Settlement.
It's nuts.
Trying to use settlement as support, but now I don't know. I know these bulls ain't buy all that shit up just to give it right back, but maybe they did. Maybe they did. Let's see if we put this lower high in right here, or do we keep pushing?
That is the question.
Past the 50K, but blew two 150K combines with the glitchy system on TopStep X. Wait, you got 150K on TopStep X?
Yeah, you can get 150Ks if you have the if you got.
Oh, you can just buy them straight out now.
Mm-hmm.
Not the early access. You mean just buying it in general right now?
No. I think if you got the early if you got the early access to it, then you're able to buy 150Ks on TopStep X.
Oh, like we can buy 150Ks.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
All right, here's settlement price acting as support here. Let's see if we put this higher low in, or do we continue to push back down to the downside? It's like we're building structure off settlement, which I'm okay with. I want to see this. If we're gonna push, just push all the way out, or I want to see if this is like a fake out. Because I mean, we basically just took out Asia, which is, that's dope. I'll take that. But right now, I'm looking for a retest or some structure to be built here, and then I'll look for a retest on the way back down. Damn, you got 150K for $75. You ain't tell nobody, bro?
They did a 50% off fire drill last week. I had no clue.
Hey, Mike, you ain't put the squad on? Settlement price is just where they close margin from the day before. It's an indicator. You just type in settlement price, and it'll automatically populate for you. It's that little blue line that I got right there. It's where they close the margin from basically where the handshake happens at the end of the day, the trading day. It usually ends up being a support level or a resistance level. No problem, David.
Yeah, I'm not really jealous about the 50% off, but still, that's crazy.
You jealous?
I'm not. I have $4.50 accounts. How can I be jealous?
Because you're Justin. Because you're Justin. That's all.
Nah.
It's all good, Mike. It's all good. All right, getting more buying pressure here. I want to see us push out of this area, start taking out some of these zones up above. All of these people that are looking to get short, I'm not shorting this strength. No chance. There's going to be a lot of people looking to get short up at that 30-minute supply zone. So what did gold end up doing? Let's see. Oh my God. Oh,
what?
Dear God. Oh, okay. Never mind. This candle already happened. Yeah, gold touched 2305 and then got rejected. Came all the way back down. Oh boy. Yeah, they coming. They coming for all they ducats. Where all them bears at? They said, move the fuck out of our way. This is our market. What part of that don't y'all understand? Let's go. I'm so glad I don't have to go back to being a bear anymore. God, I hated being a bear. I think I took one short.
Jesus.
I think I took one short that entire downtrend. Welcome back. Welcome home, Bulls. Woo woo. Woo woo woo.
Lord have mercy.
Woo woo. Turn up, baby, body shit. This is our market.
Oh, Lord.
Turn the fuck up, Bulls. Up 500. Let's go. I'm here to win it. Let's get it, baby. Now, Pots, take them shorts.
No, Lord have mercy.
Take them shorts, baby. In the Bulls we trust. Let's go. Shout out. We cooked, baby. Fuck them Bears, man.
Oh, Lord.
Told y'all. This damn market. Jonah, I don't even want to hear it. I'm clipping this part. If the market
Facts, Jonah. Let them know. Let them know.
Oh, nah, man. Don't do that, bro. Don't do your boy like that, Jonah.
Especially because we still got Powell to speak as well. So
fuck Powell, bro. We bullish.
This market can't go up forever.
Bullish. Look at Justin. He look at his chops. You know what he's thinking right now. Justin like, yeah. At some point, you gotta come down.
You gotta come down at some point.
Yo, Justin is itching. He like, 100 points, huh? Yeah, all right.
I got tokens.
Justin's like, yeah, all right. I got shorts for motherfuckers like you. Don't even trip. You buyers, you sellers gonna get exhausted you buyers gonna get exhausted at some point.
Man, you got to.
We will take our previous day high, bro. Previous day high gone. What are you talking about, bro? Previous day high is out of here, bro. We above previous day high by like, yeah, we unless you counting pre-market high from yesterday. Previous day high was 347, I think. I think I got this right. Yeah, we had previous day high at like 4 o'clock. I think, yeah, like 4 o'clock yesterday. Like at the end of the day, we didn't scuff through that. Yeah, be patient, y'all. Be patient. Don't FOMO into this. I didn't take the trade. Justin didn't take the trade. And you know what I mean? Like it's not. I didn't take the trade because I didn't see that shit coming. And when I go back and review it, I'm sure I'm gonna see it come in. But I wasn't interested in taking any trades down there. I'm interested up here at 393 though, to take the market short. But if we just rip right through it, nope. Ooh, okay, all right, okay. Come on. 30 minutes supply zone right there. April 2nd at 8 a.m. Tuesday, it was formed. So, but I mean, the way we're coming up here, we might just push right through it. So we would need to change character. But the market is, I mean, we've only put in one swing so far. So if that's any indication of where we're going and we average about 4 to 6 swings, we got a ways to go. So this supply zone may not mean jack shit to this market.
Moving on up to the Upper East Side. We're continuing to push.
Bears at, baby. Where them bears at? Bears. Where did I get this purple level?
Said where them bears at?
Where them bears at? Where them bears at?
What purple level?
Man.
What purple level are you talking about? Let's see the purple level.
It's on my execution chart. Oh no, it's here too. Nope, I got it. Damn. I don't want to show you. You hear me mad. It's been on my chart. It's been on my chart since this morning.
Oh no, I mean I drew a 30-minute supply or demand zone down there we tapped into, but I mean I'm cool missing this rally. I wasn't comfortable.
Oh no, I'm cool with it. I just
early and I wasn't comfortable getting long there, even though I knew it could potentially.
I'm cool missing the move, but the rally kind of pisses me off. The rally is like it's like mud in your face kind of rally. You know what I mean? It's like, damn, did you really have to rally like this though? Like this? But no, I'm cool with it. I'm just saying, like I had this level sitting here, and I was like, why did I have this level here? It was yesterday's range. Basically, we pushed out yesterday from this low, and then all the selling that ensued just now was basically a falling wedge. I think somebody was trying to tell me that in chat as well. This was like a falling wedge, and we're looking to try to break out of it. That's basically what it was here. A falling wedge here. We broke above structure, swept the low, and then zoop. I even circled it too. I did not see this coming. Not at all. But I like it. I'm with it. At least now I know what the market's trying to do. We're bullish until we ain't no more.
Yeah, that was a hell of a fire rally right there.
Oh yeah, that was gangster. My thought process now is we're probably not gonna go below settlement price, but I'd be willing to entertain shorts if we do. $259 into 392. Jesus, that's a 140-point rally. And these motherfuckers do not look like they done on the tape. Yeah, I think it's intermission time for me, ladies and gents. After missing a move like that, I think it's time to just wait for the next macro. I'll be back. We'll go get some food.
Yeah, we're just chilling. Nothing to do. Got my 60 points. I'm gone. See y'all tomorrow. Hey, let's go, Chicago Sean. Mr. Pot Scraper says 18,500 a day or 18,500 or 18,000. I'm going where the market's going. Yeah, I think we get into 18,500. Definitely could be. I mean, we're only 100 points away. Powell speaking, so definitely possible. Oh, there's really nothing to do right now. This day has been boring. Boring day today. So I'm just gonna wait. Wait for the market to give me something. Give me something. Yeah, I clipped. Yeah, I think so too. They caught everybody. They was like, yeah, we're ending our sale tomorrow. Man, people was buying up accounts left and right. And then they're like, yeah, so about that 80% again for the whole month and 1 day pass. I'm like, y'all, for real? That's where y'all at? All right, cool. Yeah. I clipped myself for the day. I'm just here for the entertainment. Let's go, Mike. What are they doing, bud? What do you think they're doing? Oh, facts. I mean, they make their money either way. Ooh, that's a big buyer they just got filled right there. Yeah. The longs are definitely stalling. He's coming back.
What's up? Yeah, at 400. Yeah, I see it, but we got to break structure and show me a reversal pattern, or we're just gonna keep. Again, I feel like supply zones today are just liquidity. It's like it's just pockets of liquidity the market left behind was like, oh, thank you, so we can go higher. Like this does not feel like the market's gonna reverse. So as long as we look like this, I'm I'm looking at all my supply zones suspect as hell right now.
Yeah.
See how we just ripping through it like it don't even, like it's not even there? Because a lot of people are going to be looking to get short right there because it's a drop-based drop previously. Could it work out? Yes. For me to get short, we need to take out that low first and then come back up and retest it. Then I'll take it short. No, I want us to take out the low. So here, I was eating my eggs. So I mean, you could take the early entry. I'm not knocking anybody that takes the early entry. Nah. So the low is, the previous low is 70.75. That's the low that brought in this new high. So in order for me to be bearish, we got to take out that low and then come back up and retest this high, and then I'll take the short. Other than that, I'm looking at every single sale candle. I'm looking at like a pullback to go higher until the market breaks a low. If it takes out a low, then I know we're at least trying to reverse a little bit. Other than that, I'm staying away from this because I already know what this is right now. This is a run on all liquidity. Well, it looks like a run on all liquidity. And if you're trying to be a bear, you need to be very careful. Or at least for me, the way that I trade, I know as soon as I see a sell candle inside of supply, oh, let me take this short. You know how many people is probably trying to short this right now and about to get smoked? Not I, said the cat. Been there, done that.
Not I, said the cat. What?
Yeah, it's a nursery rhyme.
Well, I was about to ask what book is that, but
so not a nursery rhyme. It's a children's book.
No shorts today, only longs.
Only long. I ain't getting out till I see 18.5. All right, you might see it. You might see sixes. I'm telling you, the market, bro. Look at the 4-hour chart. Like before y'all start looking for these shorts, because I already know reversal traders, we get like this, right? Look at the 1-hour chart. Does this shit look like it's about to reverse? I mean, try your luck. I ain't fucking with it. That's one supply zone go.
Longs are looking good still, but I'm not long in the market up here. All I can do is look for shorts, but
or you can just wait till the market comes back and long it back up.
Or that. I'm just patient. I'm not chasing price. I'm not taking any early trades.
I already know. I know exactly where I want to get long. And it's right here at settlement price, where we did not retest this area. Between the previous day high and settlement is where I want to get long. Price comes back there, I will entertain longs, and I bet you that's a 5-minute demand zone. Yep, perfect. 3.5, basically between 3.68 and 3.28 is where I want to get long. If the market dumps, I'm gonna fade the dump because I just know it's gonna be choppy. I'm back in my F the Bulls, F the Bears mode. But I mean, again, I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at Bears. They had a valiant effort. You know, they did their thing. But yeah, I'm cool. I know exactly what I want to do today. And when it comes back down, I'll be ready. In the meantime, I eat food and read YouTube comments. Hang on.
Dum diddy. Man, the market went long, but Diddy went longer. Oh, yep. I know that wasn't up to me. Yeah. Oh man. When the market looks suspect, I'm about to say the market looks suspect just like Diddy. The market looks suspect just like Diddy. Oh my god, I'm bored. Reminds me of that TikTok trend I'm chilling in the house and I'm chilling in the house bored. Bored in the house, chilling in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm chilling in the house bored. I know that's not how it goes, but close enough.
Wait, what happened? Justin being lame again?
No.
18,600 would be sweet, bro. How much is enough, bro? Wow. Fucking menace, bro. Absolute menace. I know. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. This guy, he kills me every day. Every day he says some shit that's like, suspect ain't even the word to use. It's like, damn, bro. Like, you couldn't pick any other language? Nope. That's what I wanted. Okay. Look. Oh, this is a trap. Look. You know how many people got short right here? On this candle? Everybody smoked. They I'm telling you, blown account. Everybody is, every time they see a red candle, the market conditioned everybody yesterday. Oh my God. Jesus. The market condition, they're not fucking around. This ain't the day. I'm telling y'all, this ain't the day, bro. This is not the day. They like, yeah, F around and find out with them shorts today. Where Jonah at? Bring me Jonah.
It's like, bring me Jonah. Bring me the bulls.
Yeah, bring me them bears, baby. I'm telling you, dog, this ain't the day. Y'all gonna F around and find out real quick today. These bulls is buying today, bro.
That was crazy too, because the volatility picked up real quick. But let's see what happens.
How much they bought right there, bro? That might have been a pretty sweet.
Yeah, that push out was not favorable.
Take out a low. That's all I gotta say. I ain't touching this until we take out the low, the previous low. I don't even want to hear it.
It's over here consolidating.
I don't even want to hear it. Until we take out the previous low, we going up. It's not gonna stop, man. You know how many times I've been caught in this shit? Justin, you remember the days where the market used to do this all day, and how many L's we take before 11 o'clock? Yeah. Trying to short this shit. We be trying to short this shit the whole way up. I was like, nope, not doing it, bro. Not doing it. Go green and try not to sell for $5. I'm like, she said, I don't know how you do it. I'm watching my stocks go green and try not to sell for $5 profit. She's stupid. Yeah, she see. I let her watch your video yesterday, Valdez. I said, you want to see what it's like to be a trader and some of the dumb shit. My wife, I let her watch your video yesterday. I said, you want to see some of the dumb shit we do as traders? She was like, what? I said, I fast forward. I was like, see that? He's up $750. She's like, he ain't gonna take it. I was like, say, keep watching. I said, keep watching. She said, no. When you went negative, she was like, no. I was like, yeah. I said, I've done that shit so many times, I can't even count. I can't even count how many times I've done that. Justin's revving up to take this short. Look at him, y'all.
I'm thinking about it. Look at it. I need to see what I need to see first. I haven't seen
Justin it. is actively looking to short this market. He like, come to me. Come to me. What's the difference between a 300 tick chart and a time chart? 400 tick chart, not 300 tick. What's the difference between the two? I don't understand tick charts either. Like I don't understand like what's the difference between the two. Like I've heard people say that they like tick chart, they prefer tick charts over time charts. I don't see the difference. A lot of aggressive selling coming into this market, but again, not accomplishing much here. Woo! Smoking shorts. Oh my God. Yo, they smoking shorts. They like, yeah. Come on, man. We about to sell off. They like, yeah, we about to sell off. Like, yo, I'm telling you, this ain't the day, bro. This ain't the day. Yo, I'm telling you. This is not the day, bro. Like, Fuck around, find out today, bro. Just tell me you ain't jumping them shorts and get smoked at the bottom.
Nope.
Yeah, you did. He said, nope. It just like, nope, I ain't gonna tell you, but I definitely got smoked.
No smoking here. No smoking the English here.
Good. Boy, that was a classic. I see you rev it up. I was like, Justin. He's like, well, warming up to the idea. All right. I need
okay.
Yeah, I'm telling you, my hands is off the mouse, bro. I am safe from this shit. Nope. I already know this. I know how I want to trade this, and I know the mistakes that I make because I've made them so many times. Therefore, I'm just gonna watch all the shit that I would do because I'm gonna tell you what I would have saw. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I would have saw on the book right here. Because I used to get smoked by this every single time, and that's why I said, "Don't do it, Justin. Don't do it," because I know he reads the tape just like me. Look, let me show you how we would have got smoked back in the day. We would have forgot that the market just rallied 150 freaking points, right? So instead of hold on, it's kind of loading up here. Wait a second. This right here. So you see how aggressive these bubbles came down after this liquidity sweep? We got rejected. Hang on. Yeah, we got rejected here. And you see how aggressive these bubbles came down? You know what I would say? Oh, I'm short right here. Let's go. And you know what the market would say? Thanks, idiot. Gone.
Thanks for the cheese.
Thanks for the cheese, sucker. Right? And the only thing that really happened is just people took profits up there. And then buyers, because the market is so bullish, buyers can't wait to buy this shit up. And everybody that got short right here, they squealing right now. Squealing. So you have to be able to be patient, either that or scalp the market, right? Like who was that just said, oh yeah, custom barbecue.
Yeah.
Scalp the market. When it's this bullish and you want to participate, know that you playing with Russian roulette, but you can scalp the market. Scalp it for a bunch of points. Boom, 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 and be done with the day. That's just not how I trade. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna let this thing do what it's gonna do. Like I said, y'all lucky I'm on YouTube, because after I saw this rally, I probably would have got my ass up and went to go for a walk, because I'd be like, there ain't nothing for me to do until the next macro. Like this thing is gone, right? And maybe we start to sell. I'm cool with the sell. I wanted to sell. I'm just not gonna short it. I wanted to come back so I can long it. Each bar is based off the amount of ticks. In this case, 400 ticks per bar. A 2,000 tick chart.
Oh, that makes sense. I was wondering about that. I was wondering how that works.
So you know when the next bar is about to happen. Okay, gotcha. And you trade it based off like the repetitions. Like when you practice it, you be like, okay, this bar usually takes about, I don't know. I mean, I guess it's the same thesis, right? It's the same thought process behind a 1 minute. I mean, a time chart. You're counting the ticks. We're counting the time.
It's almost like the what is it called? The footprint chart. I think the footprint chart is based off of can be based off of ticks as well. Or be based off of points. It'll be like a 5-point chart or whatever. So whenever the market moves 5 points, it'll open up a new bar.
All right, let's see if we healthily start to sell here. Because that last little clickbait shit wasn't it. This looks like a healthy setup for a sell-off here. That high that was put in at 426. And that low that got put in at 405, that might have been the start of the reversal here. So let's see if we start to come down now. Yeah, this looks good for a reversal. I like this. I just want to see us take out the low. So. Yeah, I think if we can take out these lows, yeah, I want to see us. We got our next macro is at 1050, but that's we could consolidate here until we get there. accumulation here. I'm not looking to short this. I want to see if this can come down so I can get in the longs down here. I know. Yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you this morning. And I forgot you were here. I was like, hey, by the way, I ain't get to roast your ass completely about this video, but I'm gonna need you to stop drinking tea like you Smokey on Friday with two hands and shit.
Oh Lord.
you know, Smokey used to drink that Kool-Aid. Smokey on Friday, he's like, I said, this mother, if you don't put that damn tea down, he got real thirsty. He was like, shit, this tea ain't enough with my water at. Yo, I empathize with you so bad. I was like, bro, I know every emotion he's feeling right now just watching the chart. I was like, oh God.
Sips tea.
The charts are fire, they're smooth. Yeah, I don't know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I like what I'm doing with time, but yeah, I ain't knocking nobody to trade tick charts. Don't bother me. Honestly, like I feel like I watch people that trade tick charts. There's NQ Anonymous traders, they trade tick charts.
Oh, do they trade tick charts? I know that.
Really no difference to me. Like when I see the chart, like I still see time at the bottom too. So I don't know.
I thought they trade on the 15-second chart. I didn't realize that they trade on a tick chart too.
Nah, I think they just got it set to a certain amount of ticks. Oh, here come these bulls again.
Yeah. Ooh.
He said, buy that shit right back up. Yes, they are. Yes,
yeah, they're trying.
Yeah, I need to see that low break. I need to see us break at 404. If we get below 404 or even better 395 and close, and then come back up and retest, then I'll be interested in shorts. Other than that, I'll let this thing come down from here.
Yeah, the market's in a really weird place because we really haven't had a strong pullback on the day yet since we rallied. So
Justin's gaining more confidence in his short position, guys.
I'm not in short.
Valdez went deafened. That means he's going short.
No, Valdez looking for a long.
He like, yeah, gotta go, guys. I ain't trying to hit nothing y'all got to say.
Valdez over here looking to get in long. That's what he doing. Woo!
Pullback ranging price action. Yeah, I think we consolidate up here for a little bit into that next macro. I want to see us come down before we come to 950, or 1050 or whatever it is. Oh man, nose. Take profit trader. He's on fire. Can you name the video game? Yeah.
Who? What?
Email from Take Profit. It says, he's on fire. Can you name the video game?
Oh, yeah.
Duh. Apex is back to 1 day past 80% off again. All
Back,
April.
they ain't never left.
Yeah, you know they keep making it sound like they
induce that FOMO for real, bro. Like the FOMO is crazy when they be like, yeah, so the sale's about to end and it's never coming back.
It's
and then
never
it's like,
coming back. And it is like,
the
oh, by
next
the way,
day,
the whole month we're doing that still. Like,
the April special is the same special that we had last month. It's like,
you just said, never mind.
Yeah, that's just how they roll, bro. Like, I don't know. It's really dumb, honestly, in my opinion. But they're the masters of FOMO for real.
A lot of buying at these highs. They flipping the book right now. They're trying to.
Yeah, there's a lot of buying going on.
Looks like they're trying to flip the book here. See how the CVD's going positive? That meter. Looks like they're trying to flip it. Oh, Emmett, you trying to get into Aurora? Yeah, bro. I told my wife all of them to get into. I told her like 2 years ago. I think her, and Justin was talking about it, about the cannabis stocks. I was like, yeah, they gonna come back. All they gotta do is one person just needs to. This is a big failure up here if the Bulls can't break this. But if all they need is, yeah, this looks real suspect up here for Bulls. They're absorbing a lot of liquidity though, and they're not moving. They're not backing down. Yeah, they about to send this shit. I don't know if they will though. That's what I say. I don't know if they will. Yeah, I was about to say I don't know if you should be watching the Bulls just yet. The Bears looking real strong up here. Justin, you okay, man? You good? You sure you're not in the trade? You looking real
positive
suspect back there. He 1,000% of the trade, bro.
I'm literally just.
looking left to right. I'm like, this man is 1,000% of the trade.
I'm watching.
Bro.
No, I look left. I'm not. I look left. No. I look. Listen, Linda.
That man is 1,000% of the trade, bro. We all picks,
no,
bro.
I'm not. I'm just looking left and right to look back at the screen, and I'm looking at Bookmap because I'm interested in shorting the market up here, but we still haven't got what I want to see yet.
Okay, all right.
The Bulls are still defending on every single pullback.
You know we accountability partners, right? So I know your ticks. I know when you're in a trade, right?
That's fine. You can. I mean, I'm not. That's okay.
All right. My wife says I'm in Aurora and Tilray. Yeah, that's what I thought. I told you about Aurora. I told you about Tilray, and then it was like Sundial or something like that. And I was like, don't buy that one though, because it really don't be going nowhere.
I'm pretty sure that Tilray and Sundial messed us over real nice in the option game.
Yes, they did. Very good. What's going on, Shop Fan? What's going on, Yvonne? Bulls been waiting. Yeah, they've been waiting to send this shit. They about to push straight through this shit. They moving liquidity up too. Yvonne says I'm short but not shorting right now. You mean you short bias? Oh, you're short but not shorting right now. I don't know what that means. Yeah, I think we're about to higher. I don't know. There's a lot of buying up here at these highs. It's not pushing the market, but the sellers aren't being able to push the market back down. So just watching the tape, when I see a ton of buying at the high like that, it usually means that the sellers are about to take over if they can't push through. But sometimes what ends up happening though is like the sellers will get exhausted after the buyers steal all the liquidity, and then the next time the bulls come up, the bulls end up taking over that area. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, they're just slowly buying this right back up. So, no.
Jay Custom Barbecue says, laugh out loud. Justin's in. Same look as last time. Yeah, it's the same look. Yeah, yesterday. Bro, I've been trading with this man for years. Trust me when I tell you that man's in a trade. I know.
I'm not. I'm looking back and forth. Oh my God.
Listen, Linda. I know he's lying. There's no ifs,
Okay.
ands, and buts about it. Like I know when Justin's in a trade, and everybody. It's funny because everybody. I'm gonna find out if this is a trap for you right now. 2 minutes until 10:50. There's a chance. Yeah. I agree. That's what I'm kind of waiting to see what this macro does. We're pulling into this macro. I think it'll show itself here in a second. We got about, like Ivan is saying, we got about another 2 minutes till the macro. I think the market wants to go short up here. I think there's a high probability
he's delayed, so. Or I don't know if he's delayed, but it's about to be 10:50 right now. So
I know that's what I said.
Yeah. Woo! Woo! Jesus.
Order filled.
Woo!
Stop.
Look at them.
Stop.
Look at them.
Stop.
Look at them. Look at them buyers.
They getting stuck though. They getting stuck. Look at all of that buying going on the delta up there, bro. What the? Yo, if this level don't break, 417 got to break, y'all. It got to. Not good. That's no bueno for the. Oh no, they just flipped the book. You see that, Jay? Damn, they just flipped the book. Uh-oh. He said, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think they about to push through this shit. Sellers. Sellers flipped it back. Yo, it makes perfect sense to sell down right here, but what's made sense about today?
Not much.
Not much at all. Exactly. That's why I'm like, Oh, sellers just gain back control on the CVD here. Let's see what happens. Buyers keep coming every dip, bro. They like, rawr. Fuck.
They got no chill.
And fuck around. Justin said they got no chill.
They got none.
If fuck around and find out was a person, bro. I think the only reason they've been up here for so long is because they've taken all liquidity. I don't see any aggressive selling coming behind them. I see an absorption. I see a lot of absorption from the sellers, but there's no, like, they're not retaliating. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I think they're just pushing the seller out of the way. I think he's trying to absorb price. I just think it's too much. Because look at the delta at 17. Every time we come up here, it just keeps growing. No Diddy, bro.
Take it all, no Diddy. That's all I'm talking about.
Take it all, no Diddy. He said he gonna take it all, no Diddy. Yeah. I think if you're gonna short it, the level has to be 417, right? Like that's a good area to short it. All that buying and we're just not going higher. Like
not going anywhere.
We're not going anywhere. Like this has to come down. Like this has to come down, right? Like yeah, fuck all that order fill. All that buying, bro. Like, come on. Like this thing has to come down.
Come right back up.
Justin said coming right back up. Bro, they is not playing with it, bro. I'm telling you, when they do decide to leave this area, bro,
it's about to be violent if they leave this area.
Yeah. If whichever direction they leave this area, it's gonna be crazy. But 417 seems to be the area to take the short.
Here we come.
Here we come. Let's come back up here and test it again. 430 on the delta. Look at all the buying that comes in at this level. Just watch the delta right here, guys. If you're watching the tape, watch this area right here at 417. Every time we come up here, watch this thing start shining. Watch. 417. There it is. Now let's see if there's more buying that comes in. Look at that. Look at that. Look. That's why I'm not touching this shit. I'm like, yo, what the hell is going on at 417? Yeah, they trying to flip this shit. Look at the book. The book just flipped. Look at the CBD. It's green again. Uh-oh. All of that buying, they still can't get. I don't know. I don't know, man.
I don't know.
That's so bearish. That is so freaking bearish what's happening up here right now. Yo, this is so bearish up here right now. Like, shit gonna give me nightmares.
Give you nightmares.
Yo, that stop Phil. Bro, this seller is absorbing all of this shit. He's like, I'm about to dump this. He said, I'm gonna dump this shit to the Stone Age. Y'all he coming up here.
Man, this is nuts.
There's a slim chance for shorts. No, it's a big chance for shorts. 417. There's a seller. The amount of buying that's coming in at 417, it's all being absorbed by this seller. So, but the seller's not fighting back. That's the only problem. So the only thing I can see is, yeah, he's not throwing any sell orders behind price. It feels like we're buying up the liquidity to. Oh shit, we're pushing past 417. I don't think it's an active seller.
We're gonna take this. We're gonna take this order right here. Yeah, we just took one. We're about to take this other one probably.
Oh, that other order block. Yep, 420 gone. That he said, "Yo, fuck." Skyscraper said, "No, there ain't. No, ain't no chance for sellers." Yeah, y'all had y'all chance. Now the question is, they just took the liquidity at 420. The question is, do they reload the liquidity at 417? That's what you want to see. Nah, you don't see nothing. You wish you saw. You see it. You start seeing shit that ain't there because you're sure. He's like, yeah, I see. Okay. I see a little white right there.
They took 420 and they re-put more orders at 420. They took 420 again. Let's see if they put more orders at 420. Come on, 420. 420.
Justin, why you rooting for sales so bad?
Because I want to short the market. Yeah. I'm not trying to be
yeah. Oh! Order filled.
Never mind.
Stop filled.
Oh. Psych. Damn.
I told y'all do not fuck with these bulls today, bro. They not to be fucked with today. I'm telling y'all, not fucking with them, bro. I don't want no smoke with them, bro. I seen this movie before, bro.
They just yeeted price.
Did they? Look at the VIX. That shit back in the 14s.
Oh.
Hey, look, they flipped the book completely. That shit is at 1,000. You still want to be first seller there about this?
Another bull came into the market and said, "Yeah."
He said, "I got you, bro." They did the tush push on y'all ass.
Yum.
They did that Philly tush push. It's like, come here. We'll get them over the first down. All right, now let's see if we sweep liquidity. Now I would entertain shorts. Yep, I would entertain shorts up here if we take this low. Now, if we take this low, right? Basically, I want to see us take the low of that consolidation. If we get the low taken, and then we retest this area, then I'm looking to short this area. If none of that happens, then I'm just gonna sit back and wait. I'm not interested in this at all. Like unless I get exactly what I want, I'm not touching price. I'm not touching it. And right now, this just feels like another trap for sellers. I don't think they did all that buying there to go right back down. I just don't think that's a thing. Inverse head and shoulders was printed on that 5-minute too. Whew. Yeah. These bulls came to play, bro. They came to spend some money today. Oh, here he goes. There go my man in the building. Low of the week played out. I'm out for the day. Order filled. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Low of the week. That's crazy. It, baby. Low of the day, low of the week. On repeat, baby. Follow Bravo, make that money, baby. Hump day, baby. It's hump day. Get over the hump. Fuck all that Monday, Tuesday selling. What y'all got for who? Okay, all the selling that happened on Monday, Tuesday. Did any of the candles look like this, y'all? Just riddle me this. Did any of the candles look like this on Monday or Tuesday? No. That's why we still in a fucking bull market. That's why.
Okay, Michelle.
What she do?
She got
in at 41325. Let's go. She faded Valdez, punk ass. Looking for them shorts. Looking for them shorts. You make sure in the video, you make sure you make sure in your video you make sure you annotate Hobbs told me not to short.
You gonna stop you gonna stop messing with Valdez like that. Valdez had a perfectly fine
I'm sorry, what? No. Sorry, what? What did you say, Justin?
Never mind. Never mind. Nope. I apologize.
Yeah. I apologize. Hey, just keep averaging down, bro. You'll be good.
Hey, that's what Austin did the other day, and he damn sure hit his profit target.
Hey, Austin hit that profit target and some. He said, "Yeah, I'm averaging down." He's like, "I'm down now, but I'm not gonna be at the end of the day." I said, "That's actually a good point." Oh man, that's funny. Order filled.
Don't take long, you'll get wrecked. Famous last words.
Yeah. From yesterday.
Yeah.
That's what I said. I said famous last words. Don't take longs, you'll get wrecked. Oh, okay. Well, I'm long here, so you keep shorting. Then his next sentence was, I'm all out here. Oh yeah. That's kind of what I figured. Yeah. Definitely famous last words from yesterday. All love though. It was fun. Today I can't get jiggy with this. It's too much. It's too much buying for me, man. Let this thing push. For me.
Too much buying for you?
Yeah, bro. I'm overwhelmed with how bullish we are right now. That's crazy. Y'all know me though. Y'all know if I don't get the bottom, bro, I get uncomfortable.
I'm not long in the market.
If I don't get the bottom or the top or somewhere near that area, I get real uncomfortable real fast.
Just so you know, Mr. Pot Scrappers, I was not short. I was quiet, but I was not short.
Justin was short, y'all.
I wasn't short. I wasn't. I was not short.
Mr. Pot said stop. He fucking with Justin. He said stop filled. He real quiet.
I wasn't short. You see what just happened. Nope, no thank you.
Nah, that was a classic. The reason why I thought you were short because that was a classic Justin setup.
I wanted to get short, but I needed to.
I saw it all in your body language.
I wanted us to break.
It's juicy up here. I'm like,
below. What was I looking for? I wanted to see us break below like 07 or maybe even 05. I was waiting for us to kind of break below that consolidation, but we never did. Instead, we just went back and forth, and more than likely, we'll just use that level. We'll probably just flip that level. If it gets retested, we'll probably use it as support. That 417 level. That's what I expect to happen.
Yeah, bully gang, bang, bang. Yeah, Bulls gonna come back to me, bro. They gonna come back and pick me up. I ain't tripping. I'm gonna look to get in on the 5 though. Like I think, again, I really like this little strategy me and JB using. Where we just pick up these supply and demand zones off the 5 minute after aggressive buying or selling. And I would say today definitely hits the criteria. So for me, I'll just I'm not going to short it back down to this level. If the shorts come in, I'll just let them play out. And then I'm just looking to take longs still in that same area. Nah, man, go ahead. Hey, order filled. Bro, that was the FOMO, bro. That was the FOMO, bro. I was trying to stop you. I was trying to save you from yourself. Yeah, but you gotta trust you were trying to get in on the early entry based off the tape, which made sense, but the structure hadn't agreed with the tape yet. You know what I mean? And that's one thing that I've learned is like I love using the tape for potential entries, but the one thing I've learned, especially when we're in a very trendy, strong market, if I'm gonna go counter trend, I have to wait on structure. Because the tape will confuse me, not confuse me. The tape will give me false signals because it's telling me what the buyers or sellers are doing at that moment, but it doesn't tell me the result, right? Like it doesn't tell me that result of that buying and selling caused a break of structure to the downside, which then started a new trend. It doesn't tell me that. And right now the market's very bullish and we're making higher lows and higher highs. Until that stops, every low that comes in is just going to be clickbait for buyers to go higher. Subject.
Oh, the comment. Apparently the Bills are trading Stephon Diggs to the Texans, which I'm cool with. That's fine.
No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not cool with that.
Cool with it. No, I am cool with it. I've been saying I wanted him gone for a minute. I'm just curious. I'm curious to see. I'm curious to see what picks we end up getting, though.
He about to be a problem in Houston, though.
He might be
about to be a problem in Houston, bro.
They got a much better.
They can't pay him.
Who?
They might be able to pay him now. Y'all might be able to pay him now.
But Justin Jefferson, he's gonna get the bag next season.
Let him go. Yeah, Minnesota ain't
he's gonna get the bag next season because they let go of they let go of the quarterback so they could pay Justin Jefferson.
Yep.
But and they did the same thing with Jamar Chase. But you know who we might go and get? We might go and get T. Higgins because he's still
T. Higgins. Yeah,
he's still a free agent. So that's probably what we're gonna go do. We're probably gonna go sign T. Higgins, honestly. Which I mean, that's not a bad pickup. He's younger. He's got more time in the league than Stephon Diggs has left. So we'll probably go get T. Higgins, honestly. Try to build around him. Green Coke.
Okay. Since we talking sports, though, did you see I didn't watch it. I just watched the highlights. Did you see the women's tournament the other day, bro?
I'm talking about the women's NCAA?
NCAA, yeah.
I did. Well, bro, what game?
I didn't watch it either, but the Iowa game.
Oh yeah,
you gotta see old girl. Good, bro. This girl is like Steph Curry, bro.
Wait. You talking about Caitlin Clark?
Caitlin Clark,
Iowa.
Yeah, I ain't never seen her play. I just watched this morning. I was in my trade, so I was looking for something to do, and I was like, you know what? Let me watch this girl because I keep hearing about her, but I ain't never watched her play. Bro, I turned on a highlight of the NCAA tournament. This girl out here pulling up on like I'm talking about step back, side steps, pulling from damn near half court, dropping mugs from straight up nothing but net. I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, you gotta watch the highlights of her playing against LSU. She did that girl Haley Von Lith dirty as hell. She scored 41 points on LSU on her own.
What you think I'm talking about? I said the NCAA tournament.
No. But you talking about UConn, right?
No, what are you talking? Caitlin Clark plays for Iowa, bro.
I know she plays for Iowa. I thought you were talking about. I thought they played UConn yesterday. I just know that the last game I heard them play was against LSU.
No, I was talking about the LSU game.
Oh, okay.
If they played UConn yesterday, I didn't see those highlights, but because the LSU game is the game she put up 40. She put up 41 yesterday. I think it was yesterday. She got a bag on her. Yeah, bro. She a problem, bro. She a problem. I hope Marky react to Powell on mute. She's good. Yeah, she nice.
Oh yeah, that was the last game that they played. That was the last game.
Yeah, I don't think they played UConn. I don't think they're gonna win the chip. I think UConn got it, but they should be able to get UConn a run for their money. But UConn should be able to still take it. But she's a problem, bro. Like a whole problem. They had that poor little white girl guarding her. I was like, bro, why they get that girl out there? she was getting smoked.
She got
the whole time. I was like, bro, why y'all got this girl guarding her? She clearly can't guard her.
Yeah, they do play UConn. They play UConn on Friday.
Yeah, that game about to be a slaughterhouse though. Po Caitlin about to go. She about to go home after this one. Did you hear that Cube offered her $5 million to come play in the Big Three, as opposed to going to not as opposed. She could still go to the WNBA, but he offered her $5 million to come play in the summer league for the Big Three.
She should 1000% do.
It's only 12 games, bro.
That means she don't got to play overseas because them WNBA players don't make enough to sustain themselves.
Yeah,
They got to play overseas.
Just go play for Cube. Cube offered her $5 million. That's more than every play. That's more than like a whole team salary.
Facts. I'd do it. I'd be like, sign me up.
WNBA players only make they make less than doctors. They make I
think they make like 500. Yeah,
they don't even make $1 million a year, which I mean, still that's good money. But I mean, to do what they do, I don't know. Y'all think Powell going long? I don't know. I know the market's long right now. I don't really know what to think of this. I mean, this I didn't expect this. I mean, God, the market does this, guys. My hands is off the wheel when the market do stuff like this. If I'm not in down there, I'm not saying that I can't get involved. Do I know how to get involved? Yeah, I do. I just don't like to. Right? Like I would much rather be long at the bottom. Up here, we damn near at 500 now. We was at 200 yesterday.
The average WNBA player makes $116,000 a month. Or a year, sorry. With the highest earning being around $242,000.
They don't even make half a mil, bro. That's crazy. Yeah,
compared to
$5
the
million
NBA salary is probably half a mil.
If you Caitlin, ain't nothing to think about. Like,
no,
Q. I don't want to play 12 games and make $5 million. I just want to go to the WNBA and make 150 a year, 150K. Man, I'd have signed. I wouldn't even win and play for the NCAA tournament. I'd be like, I'm going to train for the Big Three.
Bruh, the average NBA contract is $4.6 million. So that's
what I'm saying.
Go play over there,
bro.
Making $4 million.
Making $5 million.
Hey,
and they make
still,
more.
They still
hey, y'all still short up here? Y'all still getting short up here or not?
Yes. Yes. I don't care. It'll turn around at some point.
All right, here comes the next supply zone. This is the 90-minute. Remember, I told you on days like this, supply zones basically become liquidity. That's why when y'all was like, yeah, it's an area you got up there, I was like, ignore this area. Do not touch this area. I was like, I'm telling you right now, if the market didn't slow down after that last supply zone, yeah, it's just clickbait. It's clickbait for everybody. Look at what the market's doing on a higher time frame, guys. And I'm not talking to the Discord fam because y'all already know this, but look at the 1 hour, man. Does this look like a candle that's about to stop because of this? Or does it look like a candle that's coming to pick up some shit it left behind? Right? This was buyers, man. And we couldn't figure it out. We was like, I wonder, is this sellers or are these buyers coming to pick their liquidity up later? Buyers, man. Trap. All these motherfuckers, all these mother lovers that's trying to get short right now getting smoked. Guaranteed.
That's a really good point. Of these levels, they make more money in college off NIL deals. That's a really good point. They do. Caitlin Clark makes $3.1 million a year off of NIL deals. Angel Reese, yeah, she makes the guap too.
Caitlin getting the bag in college too. That's why I'm like, bro, like you might as well just stay in college. Yeah. You might as well stay in college. You see them Kobe shoes wearing for the game?
Yeah, Bronny's transferring. He's leaving USC.
He's still, but Bronny can play though. I just don't think that they utilizing him right in USC. I think that's probably why he's leaving. He can ball. He can definitely ball. Yeah, that boy can ball. He's just
CDL.
He said he can't get a CDL. He's stupid. Yeah. Where's hold on. Yvonne said he's short. Where Yvonne at? Yvonne, you still short?
He didn't say he was short. He said he was thinking about getting short, right?
If Yvonne came over here and said he was thinking about getting short, he was already short.
He said, I am short, but not shorting right now.
Oh, he's short. Yvonne got short.
Nah,
I'm going to go in his Discord after this. I guarantee he got short.
He's not short.
He got short. Your ass got short.
Oh, you got break even now? I did not get short. I'm chilling.
Oh, you ready? You almost to 500, Mr. Potts. I ain't taking another trade to this PM session at this point. If we're gonna rally like this, like
I mean, it's an hour till Powell come on, so
yeah, the next macro don't show up till he come across stage. So
just,
what a freaking rally!
Let him do what he do, man.
What a rally! Facts. Where'd you get that news, Justin? It's not even on ESPN yet.
I just typed in Stephon Diggs trade.
Oh, there it is. Breaking news. I just had to refresh.
I'm cool with it. Let's see.
You cool with it? You cool with it?
Man, we ain't getting nothing for him though.
Yeah, you cool with it as long as y'all get something back.
2025 second round pick from the Vikings and a 2024 6th round pick and a 2025 5th round pick. We got fleeced.
That's almost as bad as what we got for Justin Fields.
We got fleeced.
y'all got hosed.
We got fleeced. He's a top 10 wide receiver, and we didn't at least get a 1st round pick. Oh, we got fleeced.
Bro, they got a 6th round pick. They got a 6th round pick in this draft, though. You can get a wide receiver in this draft. In this draft, you can get a wide receiver.
We're definitely getting a wide receiver. We have to. We're probably gonna trade up. Honestly, we're probably gonna trade up to get a wide receiver.
How many picks do y'all have in this round, though? I mean, this year, y'all probably got a multitude.
Like
of picks.
probably like 11.
Oh no, you guys are empty. You guys are empty. Yeah, because y'all traded away.
No, we have all of our picks.
Y'all do?
Yeah, I think we had 11.
Y'all just spent all of y'all free agent money. All right, here we go, guys.
Now we got way more free agent money.
Here, let's see if the sellers are interested at this level. All right,
yeah, we got a big
447 here.
We got a big ask sitting right here at 50. We'll see if it gets filled.
I would love to see us. I need to see. Look. This is how it has to go down. This is how it has to go down. If we're gonna sell, we need to sweep this liquidity, and then come back up and sweep this liquidity, and then drop, and then retest, and then we'll sell. Right? That's what I need to see. If that doesn't happen, we're gonna remain bullish because you was ready to get. Yep. That's why I've lost so much on early entries that I just take them completely out of my resume. I just always feel so much better when I watch price for a little bit and let my mind slow down and absorb what's actually happened. The Detroit Pistons need Caitlin. Facts.
Yeah, I thought that was funny.
Up 600. Okay. As soon as Powell comes on, I'm off this shit. Yeah, I may not trade until after he's done talking. Yeah, I want to see this close.
The selling looks very, very nice right now.
Because they want to keep going higher. They want to make it look like they selling. They ain't making it look like it. I mean, just from a structural standpoint, when we come up there, we should sell because that's fresh liquidity. That's untapped liquidity right there. So we fill the liquidity and then we find more buyers at the demand that we built. So it makes sense. Come back into 50%, tap it and go. 50%, tap and go. This is 50%. I don't know where my 5 minute is. I got one at 416 and then basically the 351.
This is the first strong selling that we've gotten pretty much all day.
Yeah, both of them. It tapped 393, consolidated, and then pushed through it. So now it's tapping 447. And let's see if it breaks structure or does it push through here.
I want to see us break this consolidation right here because we consolidated pretty heavy in this area before we pushed up. So see what we do.
Remember what I told you guys yesterday, man. Make sure you're drawing those lines, drawing those boxes that we talk about in the market review. Just take a moment and look at the market for what it is right now, right? Even if you don't trade it, understand where price should tap. Right now, everybody should have about 432, 50% tap marked on their charts. Even if it doesn't come back and take the high, it should react to that level, right? And we understand we're at a supply zone. So what we're looking for in your brain, you should be thinking the last high that was put in, the last wick was 425. All right. So if we want to see this reverse, we want to see 425 taken, right? And then we also understand that the schematic needs to print before we reverse. So if we see 425 taken, even if it continues selling, right? In order for this to truly reverse, it's going to have to come back and take the high too. Right? It's going to sweep the high, sweep the low, and then it's going to start to sell to put that reversal candle in that head, and then that shoulder is going to print. So don't just fall in love with what you think price may do in this moment. Think about the schematic. Think about your process. Think about the market review. Think about your market review, right? Do it now in the moment of price. Don't wait to hindsight, right? Do it now. Start making that practice right now. Even if you don't take a trade, just practice right now while the market's live and open. And then you won't be tempted to make little bitty mistakes because you'll talk yourself through every single thing that you're looking for and anticipating happening right now. Understand that we just broke over a high. We tapped into a higher time frame supply zone. The one thing that price may do here is consolidate. Inside of consolidation, we expect a sweep of the high, a sweep of the low. But if we're going to continue the trend, we expect to tap into the 50%, which is where we are now. And then when we come back up, we anticipate us taking that high and moving higher, right? Therefore, the only thing you should be looking to do here is if you feel like we're going to go higher, get long at 432, stops behind 425, right? Last validated low, right? Or you just sit and wait and see what's going to happen if you're short bias. Think your trades out in real time so you don't make the little mistakes that can be avoided if you did this in the past time, right? Like the way I'm looking at price right now is the exact way I'm going to review it later. So price is not unpredictable. We make it unpredictable with our emotions, right? So just think about that for a second. Who the F is Laviscus Chenault Jr.? Receiver lines. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Didn't he play for?
He played for Jacksonville.
Yeah, that's probably why his name don't like pop. I was gonna say Denver.
No, I think he played for Jacksonville.
All over the field, and it's just a yards after catch beast, Deebo Samuel type receiver. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I can see that.
I'm watching for this area to reject this 441 area. We had a really large seller come in, and then when we sold through, a lot of selling started here. So I'm just watching this area, which we just rejected off from, but.
Yep.
Yeah, they got a nasty wide receiver.
And they got a dope ass quarterback. Like they loaded. They went deep without him.
That is the best fit for Diggs, though, to win a Super Bowl, honestly. If that's really what he's trying to do, that's a nice wide receiving room to be in. That's for sure.
Bears got a nice wide receiver room too. Just saying.
Okay, no one was talking about the Bears.
Just saying. Y'all ain't nobody say that when we was talking about the Bears. I'm just saying, Bears got a nice wide receiver room too.
Well, you know who doesn't have a nice wide receiving room now? The Bills. You know who haven't had a nice wide receiving room for a minute? The Bills. I'm just saying.
Y'all keep giving all the money to the QB.
Well, we also shouldn't have given Von Miller what we gave him either. I think that was a huge
Von
mistake.
Miller destroyed y'all team. Honestly, he single-handedly destroyed y'all future.
For what his production was, that was a horrible move.
I'll give it to the front office. That was a decision that had to be made, especially if Diggs wasn't happening.
1,000%. 1,000%.
That decision had to be made. So I'm glad they made it and they didn't like mess around with it. They was like, look, just take him. He clearly don't want to be here. Just take him.
No, I'm definitely cool with it.
Reason why y'all didn't get a big hole from him because teams knew y'all didn't have no leverage.
No, we didn't get nothing for him. Nothing.
Yeah. Facts.
I mean, I agree, but at the same time, they probably just didn't want the drama. You know what I'm saying? The drama.
I agree with that too.
Everything else, you know what I'm saying? They just wanted him gone. I can't blame him for that. We're rejecting this area again.
Facts.
Yeah, but I think they had some unreconcilable differences in this case. A lot of the wide receivers are sassy. A lot of them are divas nowadays. They started with Antonio Brown.
It wasn't Diggs like telling his brother that, or his brother was saying like on X that he didn't want to be there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, his brother was being extra.
Yeah, it's like, bro, if your old brother is telling us you don't want to be here, you don't want to be here. Like, yeah, you don't want to be here, you don't want to be here. Like,
yeah, he a whole diva. A whole diva. Yeah, facts. Facts.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all went into one way talking about the Bears that time, but y'all chose to
I didn't say that. Valdez said that.
You didn't say it, but you didn't say it, but you was the first cheerleader. Yeah,
damn right I was.
You right.
He probably is.
Boy, you say that shit again about the Bears, bro.
Let him know. Let him know.
Yeah, y'all. It's kind of, they did it kind of late though, man. Like the wide receiver.
Yeah, but I think T Higgins is still on the board though.
No, he is.
I don't think he got picked up.
He is, and so is the other wide receiver over there. Don't they got two wide receivers Cincinnati?
Nah, it's just T Higgins. I think the other one's still good though.
Because I know the other one is they got the rookie, but then they have somebody else.
They got Tyler Boyd, T Higgins, and
Tyler
Jamar
Boyd.
Chase.
That's who it was.
I think Tyler Boyd's still
Tyler
good
yet,
though. Nah, I think he's still good on his contract. I don't think his contract up yet. Man, this market about to rip again. They gave the Bears the head.
This is a day. This is a day. If you're looking to short this market, you really need to follow the rules of structure. I'm telling you that right now. Do not fuck around and find out, bro. That's the only
person who can save us is Jesus.
The only person that can save us now is Powell. Man, crazy.
Yeah, I thought T Higgins was still. Oh, Hunter Renfrow still available? Oh no, you're right. Tyler Boyd is still available.
He's available, right? I thought so.
I thought
both of them were available. Good. Nah, both of them are available. I think only person that's untouchable right now is Chase.
Oh no, maybe Tyler Boyd is the one who's not on. I'm looking at this list right now. I think it's
both of them, bro. Like I'm not sure, but I think it's both of them. We about to eat off this market today. Yeah.
Good lord. Okay,
y'all eat. I'm good. I'm full. I took my money in gold this morning, but I wanted some of this. Best believe I wanted some of this, but it's all good. You can't catch them all. It's like Pokemon.
Dang. Nah, you can catch all the Pokemon.
I ain't never played Pokemon. I just know that's how the saying goes.
You can catch them all.
No. He said, I done it, bro. I done it. I caught them all. I got them.
You gotta try pretty hard, but you can do it. You can do it.
Are you a Pokemon player? You look like a Pokemon.
Nah, I'm not. I played Pokemon back in the day. I ain't played in a long time.
Did you play it with the cards, or did you do was like looking around on your phone, like searching for Pokemon, like Pokemon Go?
I never got into Pokemon Go. That was not my thing. I thought that was crazy.
I'm sorry, you're doing what? I'm looking for Pokemon. You're in the barbershop. Yeah. Looking for Pokemon. You're in the barbershop, bro. Like you're at the shop. What are you doing? Put your damn phone down right now looking for Pokemon.
Yeah, no. I ain't never.
Motherfuckers be in the backyard, searching around, looking around. Like, what are you doing? I think there's a Charizard back here.
You'd be like, people getting shot. You're like, what are you doing on my property? I'm looking for Charizard.
I'm looking for Charizard. What? Nah, Charizard, your ass.
Nah.
You look like a. Yeah, I know. He do. You were quoting me. Yeah.
Yeah, he was quoting you.
Nah, I'm always ragging on Justin.
I ain't never. I was into Pokemon, but not Pokemon Go or nothing. I mean, I had a Game Boy.
A Pokemon player. Have you ever played this game called Magic? Card game called Magic.
No.
We used to play that at the YMCA when I was younger.
My
You know I'm
my
old when I
brother-in-law
say
plays
words
it,
like the YMCA.
my brother-in-law plays Magic though, heavy.
Yo, Magic hard. Magic go hard, bro. If Pokemon anything like that, then I feel it. I understand why people play Pokemon.
Nah, you know his Pokemon name is. Shut up, Mr. Pot Scraper. Shut up. I wasn't short, Mr. Pot Scrapers.
No, he was short. No, we ain't gonna let him go. Look,
wasn't short.
I ain't
Jesus.
believing he was short until he showed me the freaking orders today. I know that man was short. You're not gonna at me, bro.
I was not. I was
short,
not.
bro. He was short in his TOPSTEP X account because he was probably short 2 minis because he was like, you know what, it's my TOPSTEP X account.
2 minis. I was short 2 minis.
I was short 2 minis. And he was like, you know what, it's only 400. It's all good. Stop Phil. Damn. Damn. All right, we're coming back up to test this level. I really like this. Really like the failure here. First time in a while we put in a freaking double top. Never mind.
Yeah, I kind of.
All right.
I started to like this, but then
I don't like it because of that wick.
Yep, nope.
You know what it was? It was the wick. Dustin, you remember you used to be like, "Hey, bro, I don't care if price didn't close up there. God damn,
bruh." These buyers.
No, I'm telling you, this is a bull market, baby. Look at the 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour now. Whoa!
Yo, the VIX is
dumping
pumping to the downside.
I told you they pump the VIX up just enough so they can dump it back down to all-time lows. Look at this. The only reason why we stopped buying.
I was like 3 seconds from hitting that short button. I was like, nah.
3 seconds? Why,
3 seconds.
Justin? Okay,
3 seconds.
Please explain to me the thesis behind 3 seconds from hitting the short button. I just gotta know why.
Because there was a lot of selling. There was a lot of selling on this retracement, and I like that high at daybreak and the failure below. And then we got a really strong rally back to the upside, and that failed. So I was like, okay, if this thing can continue to kind of push down and sell, I'll be good. I was waiting for us to break below this consolidation right here, but yeah, as soon as we hit that consolidation, we rallied. So
none of those sound like reasons to get short.
They were reasons. They just ain't work out.
I need to see a low break. No low break, no shorts for highs. Everything else is just, hey, we just serving up the platter to cook more buyers. I mean, cook more sellers. Oh,
okay. They franchise tag T Higgins, so he's not a free agent.
Okay.
Yeah, see,
but at one point they both were free agents.
Nah, they never let him be a free agent. They franchise tagged him before he could become a free agent.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Yeah, they was like, you staying. Basically, like, we're letting Tyler Boyd go, and you not going nowhere. But he wants.
Oh, so y'all can't get T Higgins. Y'all can only get Tyler Boyd.
And the only way we would have been able to get T Higgins is if we would have traded him and Stephon Diggs. That'd have been the only way to get him.
I don't think I
would have had to been through a trade.
I would just look for the draft. If honestly, I'd be looking.
That's definitely what we're gonna do. We're definitely gonna get.
But I'd be looking for ways to move up. Like I'd be trying to trade some of those picks to move up in the draft because it's some fire ass receivers in this draft.
That's probably what we're gonna do.
If you can get into the second round, you can get some. Do y'all got picks in the second round?
Bro, we got picks in the first round and the second round, bro.
Oh,
we got 11. We got 12 picks in this draft. We got the 28 pick, the 60 pick, the 128, the 133.
I ain't saying y'all good this year, but y'all future is secure if y'all got picks in this draft. Like,
bro, we got 11 picks in this draft.
This draft, that combine was breaking record after record after record. Yeah. I was like, yo, this new batch of players coming in, they built different.
Yeah, we got 11 picks in this draft. We're gonna get somebody. We're probably gonna go for a wide receiver in the first round too at this point because we need one now. So there's no way. We might go for 2. But yeah, now it's clearly obvious that we're in rebuild mode. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I mean, at least you're doing it early on in Josh Allen's career.
Yeah.
It just sucks that he's about to go back to playing hero ball big time.
Oh, he's got to.
This year, I'm not gonna blame him for playing hero ball because what else he got? What else y'all got this year?
He didn't really have much last year either because Stephon Diggs fell off by the end of the season. He couldn't get open to save his life.
Bro, I remember the days when my account used to get smoked by these trades, right? Bro, I'd be shorting this shit like crazy. Yeah, back in the day, bro. Justin, you remember these trades, bro? I know you remember because we used to be like, why aren't our supply zones working? We'd be like, this shit is not working. Somewhere there's a supply and demand trader right now that's about to break his computer screen. Guaranteed. Somewhere right now. I feel you, bro. Wherever you at, I feel you, bro. I feel you. The minis will have me shitting your pants. Yeah, I love micros. Yeah, micros is where it's at, bro. I fuck with micros heavy. I only play minis when I build a cushion on micros. Like that's the only time I play minis, because I be like, all right, I'm up on my micros. Like I made a nice chunk of change this morning. I made like $2,000 this morning, so I could trade, but it's got to be the right setup. So
I need to see this thing down. I need to see this thing start. Yeah, I need to see this thing break at least below 432.
Please, God, send Tyler Lockett to freaking Chicago, bro.
Tyler Lockett.
He said he think the Seahawks are about to release or trade Tyler Lockett. Still a great player, insane footwork and catch. Bro, if you can put Tyler Lockett next to Keenan Allen, oh my God. 2 greatly skilled players with a brand new quarterback. Oh my God. Man, the other thing I'm pissed off about is the Bears. They sat on their hands. Didn't I tell you who our backup quarterback who we should have went and got?
Mitch Trubisky.
Shut up. No, we're not bringing Mitch Trubisky back to Chicago. Don't play me like that. That hurt my soul. Just hearing that name, that wasted ass pick. That wasted ass pick. He shouldn't even be in the league no more.
Well, he is. The Bills might have picked him up, to be honest with you.
Yeah, y'all do got him back. No, freaking the Kansas City Chiefs picked him up yesterday. Carson Wentz.
Oh, Carson. Yeah, I saw that.
Man, I was like, yo, it ain't that many backups left. Like, we got to go get somebody who's left. I don't even know what backup quarterbacks is left.
Y'all don't have a backup at all?
Bro, our backup does not need to play in the NFL, bro. He might as well hold the camera or something, bro.
Yeah, the Bills did pick up Mitch Trubisky, but our wide receiver room looking real sorry right now. All we got is Curtis Samuel. That's it.
Free agents. Nah, Kirk's not available. Baker's not available. Man, nobody want Gardner Minshew. We damn sure don't want Jameis Winston.
No, those are all quarterbacks that got signed.
They all got signed. This old.
Yeah, they're all signed already. And Flacco, DJ Moore still is with the Bears. Flacco, yeah, he signed. He got like $8 million. Y'all could have paid him for sure. He got an $8 million contract. I think. I don't know where he.
I don't think there's any available ones. Like, is Gardner Minshew signed? I don't even want to answer that.
Yeah, he got signed.
What about Jacoby Brissett?
Yeah, he went back to the Patriots.
Dang. Sam Darnold? Oh, please say no.
I think he got signed too, but you don't want Sam Darnold.
No, I know. That's why I closed my eyes. I was like, please say no. Please say no.
I think Sam Darnold's on a team too.
Oh, is Tannehill available?
He might be. He might be available.
Yeah, him and Andy Dalton.
Andy Dalton?
Bruh, we have nobody, bro. We desperate as hell right now.
Yeah. It said Ryan Tannehill, Brian Hoyer, Blaine Gabbert, Trevor Siemian, AJ McCarron? What? He still plays?
No. AJ McCarron still got a job?
He plays in the UFL, apparently.
Oh no, we'll I think we'll get Ryan Tannehill. That's a really good pickup. I like that. If we can get him.
He is the best free agent left. You better hope Caleb Williams don't go down.
Yeah, the Vikings did get Sam Darnold. I don't want his ass anyway. He trash.
That's a backup. You hope he never touches the field.
Powell speaking in 40 minutes, bro. We ain't in no trades. Me and Justin literally haven't hit the button at all during the New York session.
Tristan, we should have just gave y'all Stephon Diggs back, and we should have just taken Justin Jefferson. We should have just redone the whole thing that we did for the draft, where y'all used our pick to get Justin Jefferson, and we should have just taken Justin Jefferson, and y'all could have had Stephon. Still,
we got a potential head and shoulders forming up here at these highs, guys. If you're still looking to get short, I still need to see a break of the lows. But if you want to try the early entry, I do see a semi head and shoulders forming up here. I want to see that liquidity sweep and a break of the lows. I'm not touching this until I see that.
I want some consolidation.
This is consolidation at the high.
Yeah, no, I want more. Give me more.
What is more consolidation going to mean for your trade?
It just means that the market's slowing down on this uptrend.
I mean, what do you define as more? You need 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes, 15 more minutes, an hour?
There's no set definition of time.
That was kind of my point. that was kind of
I just want to see more. I don't know what that looks like, but I'll know when I know.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we still got DJ Moore, 100%. We got DJ Moore, Mike. Our wide receiver room is polished, bro. We got Mike Evans. I mean, not Mike Evans. We got Keenan Allen. We got DJ Moore. Then our tight ends, we got Knox, and then we got Gerald Everett. And then obviously we got 2 receiving running backs too. But I think we're gonna draft one more wide receiver, if not trade for one. Because you want to
draft.
Yeah, we got number 9. We got there's so many options at number 9, especially if like what I'm hoping is like the top 4 or 5 picks are all quarterbacks. Because after that, it's gonna be a frenzy for wide receivers. Like it's gonna be crazy this year. So you got Marvin Harrison, you got Odonje or whatever his name is, and then you got old buddy. What's the other dude's name? I forget his name. Yeah, it's a bunch of wide receivers available in the draft, man. A ton.
Yeah, there's
a ton.
There's a lot, but y'all don't even. I mean, really, with Keenan Allen and DJ Moore, y'all might not even go for a wide receiver. Honestly, y'all might fill another position.
Bro, Drew Lock's not playing, bro. He's not gonna play. We need a true backup. we're not playing Drew Lock, bro. No. I hate you so much. You know.
Oh no, y'all got Tyson Bagent. That's who y'all got. Y'all not paying another quarterback. Y'all got Bagent.
Bro, show me a highlight of Tyson Bagent.
I'm sure you can look it up on YouTube. He's played before.
Bro, this man is a freaking clipboard holder. He has never been in a game.
He has been in a game. He
bro,
definitely
Tyson
has been.
Bagent for the Bears?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he won y'all a game.
Bro, Tyson Bagent is not our quarterback. We're gonna go get a secondary quarterback.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. He's got 3 touchdowns, some picks and 859 yards.
Wait. When you say some picks, I need you to put a number to that. How many picks?
I mean, he better than
how many picks, Justin?
Wait. Who was the Bills quarterback?
He dancing around the subject. Now I gotta go look at.
Don't look it up. Oh my
God! Nope. Oh, bait. I'm telling y'all, bro.
Peterman.
Stay away.
He better than Nathan Peterman.
Nathan
Peterman was a Bears quarterback too for a little bit. That man threw so many. How is he still in the league? How is this man still in the league?
Bro,
anyway,
look up Rex Grossman. He was our starter for a while. Like for a Super Bowl, he was our starter. This is why I tell you, any good quarterback play is welcome in Chicago.
Bro, you got on me, right, for Josh Allen throwing 3 picks in a game. You forget that Nathan Peterman.
Are you about to compare this to a Bears quarterback?
No. This is another Bills quarterback. Well, he was a Bears quarterback too, which I still don't understand how he's in the league still. Nathan Peterman threw 5 interceptions in one game in one half. So I don't want to hear about Josh Allen throwing 3 when Nathan Peterman threw 5 picks.
Yo, you really need to look up Rex Grossman, bro. This man, you remember the game against Arizona? Look up Rex Grossman's stats in the game against Arizona that we still won. And we literally won. I don't even think we scored an offensive touchdown that game. We won because of our defense and our special teams. I think Rex Grossman had like 5 picks in that game.
What is this, October? This is 2016. I'm thinking because y'all won by 1 point against the Cardinals. About right.
Rex
this man threw 4 interceptions
Cardinals.
And no TDs. I don't think this man threw 1.
And the Bears won that game because of our defense and our special teams. That's when we still had Devin Hester. That's the year we went to the Super Bowl.
Oh yeah, he threw no touchdowns, only picks.
We went to the Super Bowl with Rex Grossman. So I'm telling you, the Bears don't need much. We just
Man,
need
that's
a
when
little
Matt
bit,
Ryan
bro.
was still in the league. And
That's what I
Edgerrin
mean, bro.
James.
Like we
Jesus.
went to the Super Bowl with Rex Grossman because the Bear football is defense and special teams, bro. If we can get that, and we also have a quarterback, bro. And don't let us fuck around and get a stadium while he there. He ain't never going nowhere. Hey, good ad, Pot. I mean, I wouldn't add up there, but you know, hey, teach his own. If you adding up here, you should be scalping it. You should be scalping your ad. If I was adding up here, I'd be looking to get out for 10 points on the scalps and just keep scalping it like that. So basically you keep your old position, but you just keep buying and selling on the scalp.
Yeah, it looks like the market's starting to move sideways.
Oh,
probably in anticipation for
the market knows the demon's on the way.
Powell.
It's about to be demon time.
Powell. Yeah, that man Badgett played in 5 games this year.
Jay, what's his stats? You still ain't told us the interception total.
I told you he had 3 touchdowns.
3 touchdowns. Yeah, you still ain't told us how many interceptions.
Well, let me put it to you. Let me put it to you like this. Let me put it to you like this.
It must be really bad because you don't.
It's not. It's not that bad, but
it must be a bad ratio.
I mean, if a 1 to 2 touchdown ratio, the interception ratio is bad, then I guess it's bad.
So
but
3 touchdowns and 6 picks.
Yeah.
Jesus.
But I mean, he did win y'all a game last year, though. I think he won y'all first game last year against the Raiders.
Yeah, we'll take another quarterback. Thank you. He can chill out in the quarterback room. We don't need to kick him. He just needs to be number 3.
He cheap though. Y'all probably will get another quarterback.
We can get Ryan Tannehill for the low. Tennessee ain't finna do nothing with him.
I don't think y'all getting Ryan Tannehill for the low though.
We should get Ryan Tannehill for the low. What Tennessee gonna do with him? They already got rid of their biggest asset.
And I think Ryan Tannehill's already a free agent, right? Or is he?
That's what I'm saying. They got rid of. That's what I'm saying. Like Tennessee ain't gonna pick him back up. Where else he gonna go? Bears need another quarterback, and they know they need another quarterback.
Go home, sit at home, not go nowhere.
Nah, man, he can come teach our pink phone, pink nail quarterback the ropes.
Ryan Tannehill ain't teaching nothing. Y'all should have winged out Russ if you want to teach him something. What up, K-Ray? Talking about teaching.
What up, K?
Talk about teaching people shit. If you wanted him taught, you should have gone and got y'all a real veteran quarterback, not a Ryan Tannehill.
Well, that's why I said we needed Russell Wilson.
Hey, y'all could have got him for $1 million. That was the ultimate lick.
But Russell would have wanted to start. That's the only problem. He would have wanted to start.
Yeah, you kind of can't.
That wasn't gonna happen.
Yeah, you kind of can't sit Caleb if you're gonna get him.
All right, we're about to break our first low on the day. Thank God. All right. Jesus, first step, break the freaking low.
No, K-Rain, not the hockey player, the football player.
Russie Wilson, the hockey player? No, Russell Wilson. Let's see if we can get a strong close beneath here and then a sweep of the high. That's all I want. A sweep of the low, sweep of the high, and then I'm interested. This looks good. I like this. Sell off. All right. Okay. Oh, I'm interested. Right around that. Oh my God, the fix. Oh my God, poor little Vixie.
Yeah, Vix is
got freaking slaughtered today. Damn,
yeah, putting that lower high and just whoop. Meanwhile, ES rallied, and then after the rally, got one more rally and it stood still for the past hour.
I don't expect much movement here. We got 12 minutes before Powell.
Yeah,
he probably, like you said, he probably ain't talking about nothing. So
he probably not. There'll probably be some volatility at the start of him talking, and then it'll be nothing. They'll be like, "Oh, he's talking about government."
And go ahead and keep the party going.
I cannot believe we gave this man away for a 2025 second round pick.
Nah, man, you don't care, bro.
Nah, I'm happy he's gone. I wish we would have got more for him. That's all. Well, the Bills Madden rating just went from like a 89 to like a 70.
You worry about they Madden rating?
I didn't play Madden.
He's like, well, they should just hit the bricks.
Hey, you right, Custom. They need to go grab Colin Kaepernick while they play it around. He probably a better quarterback than all the quarterbacks in the league right now that are free agents.
Kaepernick probably done training for the NFL, bro. He like, nah, I'm good.
I was never a fan of Colin Kaepernick as a football player. I always thought he was trash. I thought they did Alex Smith so dirty, but that was just me. He was the quarterback that everybody thought Lamar Jackson was going to be. A quarterback.
I don't understand how you think he was trash when he did take him to a Super Bowl.
But he didn't though. That was all Alex Smith. He finished the season. I mean, it's almost like the debate between Carson Wentz and what's his face? What's his name? Who's the quarterback that actually won them the Super Bowl?
Joe Flacco? Wait,
no, it wasn't Joe Flacco.
Oh shit, I forgot. Yeah, because Carson took him. He was having an MVP season that year.
Yeah. The same thing happened. Alex Smith was having like an MVP season, won all those games, got hurt. Colin Kaepernick came in, finished the season. He took him to the Super Bowl, but he just ended up losing. And look at what happened to the dude from Philly. He got traded, didn't do nothing, and now he out the league. Nick Foles, there you go. That's what it was.
That's not what happened to Kaepernick, though.
But
Kaepernick was just because Alex Smith was getting them through the regular season. That's not the reason. Like it had no bearing on the fact that Kaepernick was still a good quarterback. Like I think they had two good quarterbacks. I don't think that I'm dissing Alex Smith by saying that Colin Kaepernick was a good quarterback. And Colin Kaepernick still took that team to the Super Bowl. Right? Like it wasn't like he rolled the San Francisco 49ers there. Like you better check that man's stats. Like that man had a good season. Like, he was a good quarterback. Just because you didn't like him. Right?
That was his only good season.
Well, I mean, that's because he got kicked out of the league. Alex Smith didn't have no good seasons after that. Where he go? Where he go? Washington?
Nah, Alex Smith played afterwards.
Who else Alex Smith take to the Super Bowl after that? Or had a decent season after that? Nobody. Alex Smith. If I got my choice between Alex Smith and freaking Colin Kaepernick, I'm taking Colin Kaepernick every single time. No questions asked. All day long. So like the idea that Alex Smith,
2017, this man had a 4,000 yard season with Kansas City.
Who?
Alex Smith.
So where'd they go?
I actually don't know. Let's see.
Like where'd they go? Nowhere.
I mean, that's still probably better than any season that Colin Kaepernick ever had.
Says who? Just off the top of your head. Okay, so let's see. Colin Kaepernick only had like 3 seasons in the NFL because he had that blunder for not kneeling.
No, I know that part.
So that's what I'm saying. Like
but his stats weren't that great though. So in 2014, he had a 3,000 yard season. And then after that, so he had 1,000 yard season, 3,000 yard season, 3,000 yard season, 1,000 yard season. And
but you're not giving him. You're not talking about the Russian. You're not talking about the Russians. His Russian stats. That man had 2,300 career rush yards, 1,300 career rush touchdowns. Alex Smith can't touch that, bro. That is something. That is something that is unique. That is something that is unique to a quarterback. They be forgetting his quarterback rating. His quarterback rating was an average of 87, but his spiked in 2013 of 90. I mean, in 2012 of 98.3. What year did they go to the fucking Super Bowl?
Look at Alex Smith actually had.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying that Alex Smith was a bad quarterback.
He had
the idea that you think The idea
He
that
had
you think
three.
that Colin
He
Kaepernick
had
was a
two
bad quarterback.
400-yard rush seasons,
Again,
almost
Justin,
a 500-yard rush season, and a
listen,
355-yard rush season. So the man can
okay,
run too. He had more seasons
you
in
just
the
named
NFL,
two
though.
seasons. This man,
Three.
Colin Kaepernick, averaged 500 yards of rushing per season.
I mean, I feel you, but I mean, I would say that Alex
you
Smith
said he
damn
was-
near averaged
I'm not
3,000 yard
again.
seasons.
You're doing this thing that Justin does, where you're changing the narrative of the conversation. The argument isn't whether or not the argument isn't whether or not Colin Kaepernick is better than Alex Smith. I'm simply attacking the fact that you said Colin Kaepernick is trash. That
he
is
was trash in the NFL.
Statement. How is that?
I think he was a bum as an NFL
and then you about to say how you feel. But we just went through the stats.
Yeah.
What do the stats say? Do the stats say he was a bum?
Yes, the stats say he was a bum. Yes. Yes, the stats say he was a bum. If you compare him to Alex Smith was a better quarterback.
That's not the argument, Justin. That's not, I didn't even.
But I do think he was a bum. I mean, but the stats are subjective because you could say, well, having a 2,000-yard season in the air and having a 400-yard rushing is a good season. But I mean, again, in 2014, the man threw 19 touchdowns and 10 picks. Come on now. 19 touchdowns to 10 picks. That's a trash season.
That's one trash season. So what about the rest of the years?
Overall, compounding,
you just picked his worst year. You literally just gave his worst year touchdown.
Okay, 2015. Granted, he didn't play in all the games. 6 touchdowns, 5 interceptions.
2015, he played in 9 games. Justin, he played in 9 games.
He only played 2 full seasons his entire career. So
we know that. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about you. So how is he trash?
He was trash. I don't know how else. I don't know how else to say it. He was a trash quarterback in the NFL sense. I'm not a hater.
When you hate on somebody, it just be coming out of nowhere, bro. Like it should be throwing me the fuck off. Like you just be hating for no reason.
I think he was garbage. That's just me personally.
We're almost to my level, guys.
Also, the first 7 seasons of Alex Smith wasn't that bad. He had a couple trash seasons, but I mean, for the most part, he played pretty well in his first 7 seasons. I think he was a better quarterback. That's all I'm saying. This sell-off was nice, though.
Bro, it's so annoying to talk
Here we
football,
go, Jayhawk. Here we go.
Justin's just a hater all around, bro. When he don't like somebody, he just completely he just completely X's out everything that they ever did.
I like Colin Kaepernick, the person.
Colin Kaepernick is a trash quarterback. Are you serious?
Yes.
That's a horrible take, bro. That's a horrible take. I'm sorry.
That's my take.
All right. It's in line with all of your other takes that have no merit, just hate. They're just all behind hate. They have no merit, just hate.
Like I said, I like him as a person. I think he was a trash quarterback.
All right. Yeah, you're right. It's very difficult to have an argument with a Bills fan about football or a discussion at all.
I'm just saying.
It's just tough. It's so stressful. It's like, bro, what are we talking about right now? So if a man throw 10 picks in a season, he trash. 19 touchdowns, 600 yards rushing, more rushing touchdowns. Like, come on, bro. Like, what are you
more rushing touchdowns than what?
And you take the team to the freaking Super Bowl. That's a trash season. But he won't even give that man the credit for taking the team to the Super Bowl. It's Alex Smith, the guy that was hurt, who couldn't get back in the game. Don't forget he was healthy, right? He couldn't get back on the field.
I mean that happens a lot. That happens a lot. You gotta.
That is very, very rare. It's very rare that a quarterback that was your starting quarterback, right? A starting quarterback gets his job taken. Right? Even though he comes back healthy, he gets his job taken. That same season, he came back and he had to watch this man take them to the Super Bowl.
Tony
and
Romo?
You call that the quarterback that did that. The quarterback that did that, you call him trash.
Tony Romo, same thing.
What about Tony Romo?
Tony Romo got hurt. Dak Prescott took over. And he never looked back. He might not have taken him to the Super Bowl, but he took him to the playoffs.
So okay, all right. On that logic, who's better, Tony Romo or Dak Prescott? Go ahead and tell me Tony Romo better than Texas.
Dak
That's my
Prescott's
point.
better.
That's the reason why
But
Tony
he had,
Romo
but he
didn't
had,
come back.
but he had a much better career. You look at.
That's because Colin Kaepernick left. He got kicked out of the NFL. He doesn't finish his career.
It doesn't even matter. You look at his last two season stats compared to the last 2 seasons of Alex Smith. His stats are better. 2016, 2017. Who you taking, Colin Kaepernick or Alex Smith? Because I'm taking
Colin Kaepernick 1,000% of the time because Alex Smith is a game manager. He is not a game-changing quarterback. Colin Kaepernick, regardless of the stats, Colin Kaepernick is a game-changing quarterback. That's why Alex Smith couldn't get on. He couldn't touch the field when Colin Kaepernick showed up. That's why. Because Alex Smith, let's not forget, bro. I watched the football games. Alex Smith may have thrown for more yards than Colin Kaepernick, but the reason why he got his job snatched, it wasn't because all of a sudden he got hurt and we were like, you know what, this guy may be a little bit better. It's like, no, he had more intangibles that Alex Smith couldn't touch. That's why Alex Smith rode the freaking bench during the Super Bowl. If you get benched for the Super Bowl and you're the franchise guy, you're not the franchise guy anymore, bro. Right? You got tapped out. The better quarterback showed up.
I think they made a huge mistake by sitting him personally. I think they would have had a better chance winning that Super Bowl with Alex Smith than with Colin Kaepernick. This is my opinion.
Well, we know that's where you'll escape to when you run out of facts. You just go with, well, this is the way I feel.
It's not even a feeling. The stats show that Alex Smith had better stats, which makes him a better quarterback. And fucking intangibles, that don't matter because at the end of the day, he was much better.
The intangibles made the coach.
I'm telling you,
play Colin Kaepernick over Alex Smith.
I don't think so. I think that.
So what made the quarterback say? What made the coach say? You know what? We will go ahead and start Colin Kaepernick, even though our franchise quarterback is back.
Because Colin Kaepernick, because it was the same exact thing as Dak Prescott. He had the hot hand, and you're not going to take the hot hand out when you're winning games.
The hot hand.
Yeah.
So he just got hot. He's not actually good.
Not according to his stats. He not.
Rally to the upside, followed by head and shoulders. Yeah. Are you talking about at the top? Yeah, it was really nice. It was a really nice head and shoulders triple top at the supply zone up there. I called it out. I said, hey, if you're looking to short this is the area where you want to potentially take the early entry. I'm getting distracted arguing with idiot box over here.
Okay, now we're resorting to calling names. Okay.
Yeah, like you didn't call my quarterback names.
Calling your quarterback names and calling you names are two separate things.
Oh my God. Are you really offended by me calling you idiot box? Seriously?
No, I'm just saying.
You're resorting to calling names.
I'm just saying.
That's how I'm feeling about the conversation that I'm having, because I feel like it's clearly that when you hate on somebody, it doesn't come from a place of facts. It usually comes from a place of feelings. And when you hate on people, it usually like for instance, this morning you started off hating on Caleb, but it didn't come from a place of facts. It came from a place of how you feel about the guy.
It wasn't factual at all. I was joking about Caleb Williams, but I don't think that Colin Kaepernick was a good quarterback. I think he was a trash quarterback. I think he didn't produce anything after that season, and that Alex Smith did. Alex Smith's stats are much better than Colin Kaepernick's stats.
Played longer. He played for a team that required him to throw. He played for a team that required him to throw the ball. Colin Kaepernick played for the San Francisco 49ers, and their system wasn't built the same as the place where Alex Smith went. When Alex Smith was there, the offense slowed down. They wanted to speed the offense up. That's why they brought in Colin Kaepernick after he got hurt, and they saw
successful there.
But Colin took him to the Super Bowl.
In the same season where Alex Smith was still playing just fine. Like I said, they had to play him.
He was still playing just fine, and he was
winning games.
If Alex Smith was a better quarterback, don't you think they would have put him in?
It's the same. It's the same situation as the Tony Romo thing.
That's right.
I think Dak Prescott
was the better quarterback.
Dak Prescott was the better quarterback
and
and the younger quarterback. But at the same time,
what happened to Colin Kaepernick? You're literally giving my reasons for being correct about Colin Kaepernick.
But then, so then you look and you see what happened after he left. Right after he left, Colin Kaepernick didn't.
Tony Romo retired. After
no. I'm not talking. I know he retired because he was.
So that's what we're comparing to. After they left, Tony Romo retired, and after Alex Smith left, Colin Kaepernick had 2 more seasons, and he basically retired. So what's the difference?
That those seasons was trash, and Alex Smith's seasons were not. That's the difference.
Alex Smith didn't go anywhere. Neither one of them went anywhere. I just don't think that like. I think that like you're discounting Colin Kaepernick being a good. I don't disagree that Alex Smith's a good quarterback. That's not even my argument. My thing is like you're basically shitting on Colin and discrediting the fact that he took the team to the Super Bowl. Like that's kind of a big deal. And you're like, well, he's still a trash ass quarterback. It's like, huh? I mean, I guess if you looked around and was like he had nothing to do. Like Rex Grossman was a trash ass quarterback that happened to take the Bears to the Super Bowl. But we know that Rex didn't take the Bears to the Super Bowl, right? We know that. We can look at the stats and show that, right? But Colin Kaepernick had a good stats that year, and he was the leading force behind the drive to the Super Bowl. Like that's a factual narrative.
You don't think that the defense of San Fran didn't have nothing to do with it either? Because I'm pretty sure San Francisco had a top defense that year.
I think that the driving narrative that took the San Francisco 49ers, the reason why we watched the game that year was not because of their defense. It was because of Colin Kaepernick. That's what I think. The reason people remember that Super Bowl, not because of the San Francisco 49ers defense. They remember it because of Colin Kaepernick, bro.
This can't be right.
No doubt about it.
What year did they go to the Super Bowl?
You can't even remember what the defense was like, but you remember Colin Kaepernick.
Oh, I remember Patrick Willis. That man was a monster. It was.
You just looked it up. You didn't remember.
No, I didn't. I didn't have to look it up. He's a Hall of Famer. I didn't have to look it up.
Okay,
I did remember it.
So what's the reason why we even having this conversation? We talking about Colin Kaepernick, right? The reason why the driving force behind the San Francisco 49ers that year was Colin Kaepernick, bro. No questions about it. No questions asked. Yep. I'm tracking. We're in the bottom of the macro right now.
They had the second ranked defense in the league. You gonna tell me that they weren't? Yeah, their defense was fire.
So that means that no matter who the quarterback was, then we shouldn't be tripping about it, right? Alex Smith was still the quarterback when they had the second ranked defense, right?
Thank you, D. Smith. Niners had a historic defense. In fact,
they have an historic defense.
Well, but they did have an historic defense. But Alex Smith was still successful on the offense, though. They both were successful that season. I just think that Alex Smith was the better quarterback, and I think they messed up by allowing. I think they messed up.
If Alex Smith was a better quarterback, he would have played in the Super Bowl. There's no way you're going to put the great quarterback that Alex Smith was, game manager, because I watched the games. He was definitely a game manager, right? 1,000% a game manager. He was definitely not the driving force behind the offense. The offense got a spark. The reason why Alex Smith set his ass on the bench is because of Colin Kaepernick. That's 100% facts. Did they have a great defense? They did. But the defense was the reason for Alex Smith's success because he didn't have to do anything but not lose the game. But the Niners got a bounce on offense because of Colin Kaepernick. And that's why Alex Smith did not see the field and got fucking traded with his great ass.
And then went on to do bigger and better things.
Better things and do what?
Well,
score a lot of
better
yards.
Things.
He went and managed a bunch of other teams and still did nothing with his career. And neither did Kaepernick. But I don't think that's the argument that I'm making. I'm making the argument that Kaepernick was nice. And I feel like when you hear Kaepernick, you're like, oh, he's just a shitty quarterback. All right, cool. Man, that's your opinion. It is what it is.
I think he was.
All right, that's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
That guy is just yapping. Oh, you're talking about Jerome? Oh, you're talking about Justin. Yeah, I need Powell to come on. Yeah, me too. My wife said, "Justin, shut up." I know he just loves to be a hater. It's like it's
I'm
just
not
every
I'm
word
not
out of his
hating on
mouth
him.
is just
I think
hate. It's like
he was a trash quarterback.
you
That is
literally
what
said,
it is.
"Trash." The man took a team to the Super Bowl. Like I don't understand. Like, who has the most rushing yards by a QB in playoff game? I don't know. Is it? It's not Kaepernick, is it? I know it's not Vic because Vic didn't go to any playoff games. Not as a Falcon anyway. Got replaced twice. Exactly. This man got benched twice, bro. Like,
well, I mean, when you get replaced by arguably probably going to be the greatest quarterback of all time and Patrick Mahomes, I mean, ain't much you can do about that one.
but he got come on, because everybody knew Patrick Mahomes was about to be the greatest quarterback of all time when he got replaced, when Alex Smith replaced him. No, he went to two different places. He got benched two different times for better quarterbacks.
Did he get benched or traded? Because he played 15 games in his last season with KC before being traded to Washington. So
you said he got benched. You said he got replaced.
I don't think he did get replaced because he played 15 games his last season.
No, I think Powell might pump the market, man. We inside of demand right here. I'm watching this area very closely to take along here. I want to see what we do.
It looks like he didn't get replaced. Ooh, there it goes. But I think it's also opinion that you would think that he's a good quarterback. It's all opinionated. The only thing that you can say definitively is that he made it to a Super Bowl. That's it.
No, I said he took a team to a Super Bowl. There's a difference. Rex Grossman made it to a Super Bowl.
He made it to the Super Bowl.
Rex Grossman made it to a Super Bowl. Kaepernick, his rushing yards and everything that he had going for himself that year is the reason why, a huge factor in why the 49ers went to the Super Bowl. Alex Smith doesn't have that in his resume. I think that's big. If you can do that on an NFL level, that's big. Oh no! Ah! Oh no! In my paper trading window, I was trying to actually take the trade in real life. All right, what is Powell talking about? 10 minutes, 1 minute into his speech, the market's just at a standstill. They're clinging on probably to every single word Powell is saying right now. I'm waiting on a tap of I'm either gonna take it long here. Or I'm waiting on a tap inside of a 360 here. Basically, all the way back down to that 5-minute demand zone that I was talking about earlier. We're almost there. Or are we just going to consolidate and do absolutely nothing until he's done talking? Liquidity is coming back on the book right now. I want to see a sweep of this area and a tap back into 360. I really don't want us to push out from here, but I think we will. Just a lot of sideways trading in this area here. Again, I want to see a sweep of this area and a tap into about 338 through about 351, 360 area.
Oh. Yeah, this level that we're flirting with was prior support on the 27th, so this might hold.
Oh, just come down a little further. I just need to tap into these 350s. If we take off from here, I'm gonna leave it alone and just be okay with my profits on the day. I need exactly what I want. I know exactly what I'm looking for. I want to tap back into this range right here on the 1 minute, right? Like I want us to tap, re-tap this area right here between this low and this high right here. I want to re-tap of this range. So right where this green box is right here, I just basically want us to re-tap the daily fib into about 358, right? If we take off from here, then it's just not what I'm looking for. I want a little bit lower pricing. I really like this huge gap right here. I like this range area. I like the fact that this area hasn't been retapped. So I'm looking for 360, 358 range. What's QE? Q said QE is dropping. What's that? Historic defense. That was okay. I saw that. Oh, I have no idea what he's saying, bro. I'm not watching that shit. I don't think he's gonna say anything. I think he's more so just talking about some random shit. I honestly don't think he's saying anything. And I honestly don't think bless you. I honestly don't think the market cares. And I think it's just another reason to sell it off, right? Before we buy it back up.
The VIX is still trying to dump though.
That's why I said I think we're going right back up. This is a higher low right here. I just wanted us to come down just a little bit more though. If we don't come down, I'm just gonna walk away. Be done with it for the day.
Yeah. Looks like we're about to pop. We already did pop. We're about to take out that high at 407. Yeah, I think this market's out of here. Really nice 15-minute candle too. Yeah, we're out of here.
Rate cuts is over. OVA.
Oh, yeah. He said they're still on track to cut rates. The market's about to go crazy.
We about to go to 600. We about to fucking see it right now. Okay.
Says they'll likely reduce their benchmark interest rates later this year.
Good, because I think he scared the shit out the market on Friday. That's why we're selling so much. He just had to come and fix it real quick. Biden probably put that call in, like, bro, you know I'm trying to get reelected, right? Like, I'm gonna need you to get it back up.
Yeah, this market's probably gonna send for the rest of the day.
Send it, baby. Send it. I'm watching it. He mentioned there won't be any cuts. Justin just read it. He said that they're going to be on the same schedule. So if that's the case, we should get our first cut in May.
Yeah, I mean, in this article that came out 9 minutes, that's what they said. You got to remember too, they might already have some of the stuff he's going to say beforehand.
That's true. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back.
Damn. ES had a really nice bounce off of its 50% retracement. Jesus. Yeah, that'd have been I like your area because that'd have been right by that 50, but then underneath that we had the other 50%. That'd have been nice too.
You talking about NQ?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 360. I wanted 360, but we just didn't come down far enough for me. So either we're gonna come down, we're gonna sweep this one more time and tap me in, or I'm just gonna walk away.
Yes,
go ahead. No, you good. ES might be hitting it right on the money, and that's fine. Like ES
hit it right on the money.
Yeah, I was about to say. Usually, when one of them doesn't hit perfectly, the other one's probably hitting it right on the money.
Yeah, ES.
And I'm fine with
ES
that. I'm cool with it.
Broke above the 50%, reclaimed it, and then rallied higher.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we came back, ES tapped right into the 50% of its high and low from 1006 to
we still might come down though. We still might come down. We could just be sweeping this high and then coming back down to sweep the low. This could be just it. I really want us to sweep this low, tap 359.75, and I'll be looking at it too. I'm looking at this as the potential scalp, but it doesn't look like the market cares about the market just wants to get busy. Like, so if it's gonna be, you know, aggressive like this, then I'm okay with not taking any trades today. I made enough money this morning. And even if I didn't, like, I'm okay with not taking any trades because the entries that I wanted to take, I either missed or the market didn't go where I wanted it to go. So.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch this. We're too high to take a long here, and I want to see if we pull back into 403 because we held support there. But even if we pull back into that area, I still don't want to take the market long. I'll just watch.
Yeah, the areas that I wanted to get long in, the market really never came back to, and I'm not gonna force it as far as like what I'm seeing and what I'm feeling. Like I don't want to force these entries. So I know exactly what I want to see, and if the market doesn't give me that, then I'm just gonna walk away. Up on the day, green on the day, go into the next day, or look for the PM session. My ass need a nap is what I need. But I think that's 11 o'clock. Jerome's done, or he's not done, but he didn't say shit that we needed to hear.
Powell is long.
Papa Powell, baby. Papa Powell.
That would be something if he had like his friends. He'd be like, yeah, so just so you know, go long today.
Texas
I'm gonna give you the money.
Top of the AFC after Diggs trade.
Go long.
Not a bad take, sir. Not a bad take, Rick. They are moving up in the AFC chain. I know Malik is overjoyed right now.
Yeah, well, you know, if the Texans start losing with Diggs, just know it's gonna be a problem.
See, and there goes the hater.
Hey,
he can't help himself. He can't help himself.
No.
God damn.
It's see. I think
do you have a blessing bone in your body, bro? Like, you know what? I'm happy for y'all.
I think you mistake. Why would I be happy for an opponent? I that's the thing I don't think you understand is why am I gonna be happy for any other team? What any other team does?
Why not? Why would you be upset about it? Why would you? You not Justin? Do you get paid to play football?
No.
Do you play on the football team?
No, but I'm a fan.
So why would I understand not being excited? But your thing is not just not being excited, like you don't care. Your thing is just straight up hate.
It's not hate.
Team. Oh, it'd be hate. I
don't care that they got him, but I'm not gonna wish good on their team. Like, man, I hope Stephon Diggs does great and they win the Super Bowl. Why would I?
I never said that. I said what you do is straight up hate. You were actually wishing that people was getting hurt last season. Did you not?
No, I never wished anybody to get hurt. I would never wish anybody to get hurt. I would never wish anybody to get hurt.
Boy, you a lie to have. Now I know. Now I can't even talk to you. I can't even talk to you because I know out of your own mouth I've heard you say.
It's crazy.
I wouldn't be mad if he got took out for the season or something like that. You know, I ain't wishing that on nobody. But
I would never wish that on anybody. That's crazy. But however, it's like, dang, if you get hurt, yeah, it is what it is. Football, everybody gets hurt in football. Shit, I've been hurt in football. You can't help it. Okay. But LOL, they did not need him in Texas. Got a lot of people. Either way, I don't care. I don't care that Stephon Diggs went to the Texans. But I'm also not going to be like, man, you just came from the Bills. You went to Texas. I hope you have a great season. Like, no, I hope you have a shitty season. I hope you have the worst season of your life. Because I'm a Bills fan.
That's no. That's not
You're
me not
hating.
A Bills fan. You're an other people hater.
No, I don't.
You literally said, I don't care what happens, but I hope you have a shitty season.
Of course. If Josh, listen, I love Josh Allen as my quarterback. If he goes to another team, I hope you have the worst season of your life. 1,000%. Why would I? Why on another team would I wish you to have the best season?
As long as you understand that
that's not me hating.
That is 100% hate, bro.
No,
like that is literally the definition of hating.
It's not. It's not.
You can
not at all.
You can just say I didn't say you had to kiss somebody's ass when they go somewhere else, but when they leave, thank you. That's a hater. He clearly doesn't know the definition of a hater.
No, I'm not.
If you leave our team even though you are quarterback, if you leave our team, I hope you have the worst season of your life. What?
Right.
But that's not hating?
Nope.
Justin Fields got traded to the Steelers. You think that I wish that he has the worst season of his life? Or do I say that's actually a good season? No, because I'm not a hater. I shouldn't.
It's a good team. It's a good team for him to be on.
I say that's a good situation for Justin to be on. I hope he strives in that situation.
It is a good situation.
Because I'm a good person. I'm not a hater.
It's a good situation. Damn right, it's a good situation for him. But I don't want to see him succeed. He's not on my team no more.
Bro, you're a hater.
Hey,
so okay, all right. So you're a competitor, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you view competition. You don't think that's hating, right? So right now we teammates, right? Because we run the trader shop together.
Mm-hmm.
We break up today. You go do your thing. I go do my thing. How you feel about my channel?
Well, that's different though.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Different. It is different.
I'm your competition now, right?
No, I don't. No,
I'm your competition now, right?
It's not.
I'm 100% your competition now, right? It's
not the same type of.
It's the same thing. I'm 100%.
It's not the same. It's not the same type of. It's not the same type of competition.
Go in trade.
No, because it's not the same competition.
It's the same thing. It's actually even more intimate. It's the same thing.
Not really. Boy, I'm just saying. My barber is saying,
and that's cool. And honestly, if we went our separate ways because of the person that I am, I would wish him absolute best. I would actually tell people to go watch him.
No,
but Justin is the type of Justin. You are a hater, bro.
No,
you are a hater. It's okay, man. It's in your soul.
No, that's completely different. Because I don't view YouTube as a competition. I don't view it as being a competition like that.
Why not?
It's not the same, huh?
Why not?
Because what am I competing? What would I be competing against you for?
Views.
What am I gonna be
views?
You know how many views?
The whole
you know how many views? You know how many subs? You know, okay. On a football,
Same
how many
thing.
football? How many? Listen. How many?
Anything is a competition.
Wait. Let me ask you a question. How many football teams can you be on?
How many football teams can I be on?
No. Just in general, how many football teams can you play for at a time?
As many? What do you mean at a time?
At a time. Like how many teams can you be on football?
One. What's your point?
How many people can subscribe? Can you only subscribe to one YouTube channel?
Justin, you're not talking about players. We're talking about you're talking about a fan. How many teams can you root for?
I mean,
how many teams
can
you root
in football? I can only root for one.
That's not true. In basketball, how many teams do you root for?
One.
No, you don't.
That's true. I'm an LA Lakers fan. That is it. I like certain players, but I only root for one team.
So when LeBron was with the Miami Heat, you was rooting for the Lakers?
Damn right. Did not like him. Did not like LeBron. I still technically really don't even like LeBron that much, but I got to. I told you this.
Because you gotta hate it. You gotta hate it in your blood, bro.
It's not that.
My point is there's a way. It's not competition, bro.
It is.
You not playing in the game.
I don't know none of these dudes personally. I don't gotta like him as a player. I don't gotta like him as a person. Sure, he cool.
This is painful, man. Hey, I gotta go. I gotta go. I can't do this. I can't do this with this dude all day.
It's different because again,
we all drinking that haterade, bro. This man is the ultimate hater, bro. It is in
YouTube you don't have to compete. No, I think there's different.
Any game that you play,
YouTube is not a game though.
It is a game.
It's different. It's not.
So you don't think we compete with other YouTubers right now? You don't think?
But everybody can win in YouTube. You don't have everybody can win.
You don't think other YouTubers are competing with us that can't win right now? Everybody can't win in YouTube.
No, my point. Everybody
can't win in YouTube. That's not true.
Okay. Let me put it this way: there's a potential to win, and it's something that you can't control who subs to you and who's not, right?
If you can win in YouTube, can't you lose in YouTube?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
So if you can win, you can win and lose in YouTube. Isn't it a competition?
But who are you But
you're competing with other people that are trying to win.
Yeah, but again, it's not. But it's not as personal as that, though.
That's your opinion. But the facts is that it's a competition. You just gave your opinion on what a competition is, but the facts are there's winning and there's losing. Therefore, it's a game that you're playing because you're winning and losing. Therefore, there's competitors in the game.
Subjective. That's also subjective
too.
It is it is subjective because what do you do as winning or losing? Somebody could say Somebody could say, well, views to me is winning, and some people can say subs is winning, right? I have more subs than you, but I get less views than you. Am I winning or am I losing?
You're winning. You're winning because the game is played to get money. So if you got less subs than me, but you get more views, you're making more money than me. So yeah,
are you? If you're if I have 500 subs, but I have a million views,
that's a different
I'm not
story.
monetized.
If you get a million views, then you're probably making money somewhere else. You can monetize other things.
Maybe, but maybe
you're still winning. The objective is to make money, so you win it.
Yeah, but my point being though is I don't view YouTube as a competition. YouTube is not a competition.
You view everything as a competition, Justin.
No, I don't.
Everything. I've known you too long to ever believe that you don't view anything as a competition.
Sports is a competition. YouTube is not. YouTube I don't view as a competition. I don't.
So you don't view trading. You don't view trading as a competition either.
If it's you against you, yeah.
Hey, you out here fibbing today. Hey, good kill count, Tristan. Good kill count, Tristan. You look, you Justin out here fibbing today. I can't mess with him today.
I'm not fibbing.
He don't try to save face and lying, Justin. I can't mess with him, man.
I'm not trying to save face. I don't. When it comes to sports,
still the great debater, not a hater. He a hater.
When it comes to sports, it's different. It's different. But
good job, Pot. Good Pot. Good job, Potts. Good
you
job,
want that 500 or 600? He wants 600 today, or what is it? 500? You want 5?
Because there's so much liquidity up there, we can still come and take. I think we see 5. I don't know. I'm getting tired. Justin's exhausted. He's exhausted my brain power today.
Sports is different.
With all of the lies and buffoonery.
It's not a lie. I think we view sports two separate ways.
I just think you're a hater in everything, not just sports. I think you're a hater. You hate on small things all the way up to sports and big things. I've been telling you this for 2 years.
I'm not a hater. I'm not.
You got a hater in your blood, bro. It's just a part of your DNA.
I don't.
The sooner you can admit it, the better you'll feel. You just be like, you know what? I'm a hater. Fuck it. I'm a hater.
I don't hate. I don't like Colin Kaepernick as a football player. I thought he was a trash football player. I think Patrick Mahomes is a great football player, but I also don't like him because he's on the Kansas City Chiefs. I think Tom Brady is a great football player. I also don't like him.
You telling me you don't like him, or you don't like that he's not on your team?
If he was on my team, I would love him. That's the difference. That's the difference. What? Why would I not?
You don't like the man because he's not on your team, but you not a hater too?
Yeah, fact. I don't. Yes, I can have respect for somebody and they craft, but not like them because they're not on my team. The hell,
bro? Do you know what the definition of not liking somebody is? Like, if you don't like somebody,
I mean, as a football player, but not as a person. I can distinguish the two. The football player, miss me with that. The person, he's probably a great person, except for Robert Kraft. Robert Kraft was not a great person, but that's here
because he got a hand job. He ain't a great person now.
hey man, he broke the law. I had to try to get him out.
He's just a bad person because he got a hand job.
I had to try to get him out. Hey, look, that was personal. I'm sorry. I sued him. I'm playing.
I hope you made some money today because I sure didn't. All I did was get a headache dealing with this.
I didn't take no trade.
I really hope you guys. I really hope y'all made some money today because I ain't take no trades because Justin has just got me all off my square today. I hope you took some trades in the background, shorting this market or something.
I don't understand how.
Anyway, that's it, man. That's it. We done. Oh, by the way, I got my Apex hoodie on. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Apex.
Oh wait, you got the gold joint? That's actually fire. I might have to order.
I know it's fire because I got better taste than you, but I'm sure you'll find a way to hate on it. Maybe if it get washed and dried, it probably won't be as nice.
Oh wow! I didn't even realize you was wearing it, but nah, it's fire. I like the gold. I didn't know they had the gold.
That's how I started. I was gonna say I'm matching with my Bears hoodie, my Bears Scully, but you started off hating the whole day. I'm like, God,
Bears trash. So
you've been hating on me since 9:30 in the morning. Anyway,
hey, I won't the only one hating on Caleb. Trash. Oh my. Trista, I hope you're okay.
Trista,
I hope you
you're
got
already
out.
back at your entry.
Oh my God.
Yo, what just happened? He must have said something the market did not like. What'd he say, Potts?
Maybe those no rate cuts thing.
Yo, Potts,
came up.
what? All right, now this is where I'm looking to get long. All right, come on.
Wow.
Come on down a little further, just a little bit further. Come on.
Wow.
360. We almost there. That was the scalp right there. Now I'm looking.
He said I caught all of it.
Let's go. Let's go. Good call.
Damn.
All right, we're almost there.
This might not stop. I hope it does though.
Nah, I want it to keep coming. Come on.
Is the 50% of this happen to line up with VWAP? Oh,
we're really close. We're really close. There's all this selling just makes me super excited. I'm like, come on down. Come on down.
Take a 50% from 1007 to 1010, and that 50% already got it with VWAP.
34325. I already got it, bro. I got both of those levels on my chart. I've been had them. I've been sitting here waiting on price to come back down. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's all we got for the Trader Shop. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Hopefully tomorrow we can actually have a trading show. I will not mention football. Matter of fact, I'm probably still gonna rock my Scully, but yeah, I'm gonna refrain from mentioning football a little bit with Justin because it just irritates me. That being said, we will catch you guys on the next stream tomorrow. Please be careful in these markets. A lot of volatility going on today. I'll probably take some PM session trades, or I might just go take a nap because I'm pretty much done for the day. That being said, my name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Yeah, low of the week is where we'll be. I know that's right. Peace, man.